hope for the same you and I. That it's another day to make hay, to come forward and say an opportunity within lays before me and you. So don't be late to work. Don't be late to work. Good morning. Welcome to life. Welcome to new day. Welcome to the first day and the first Friday of the 5th month, which is May, in the year of our Lord 2026. Ade Akye Abia was sugusu awutie no. Me din de Kwame Jako. 47 past 6. We are seated from this time to 9:30 a.m. where we will make way for the sports crew to take over. Be my guest this morning, be my listener, and keep me company. So within the range of my voice and the reach of the frequency 93.1, be a part of this show by way of ear, voice, and SMS. Let's talk Ghana. Let's interact. Mon kanrena mobe who said Kelvin, repeat it, mommy, Mr. Repeat it, mommy. Why? Nanso nepa biarenia wona woshi she radi stro radi ra ina na yi menu muda this morning, join me. Let's sing this song from our heart. My young tune free yakumemu. Make the words loud. Nanso nepa ebia renia wona woshi she radi. Nanso nepa biare one hour shishe rade hey what do we come from everybody what did they come for rade It's a Mayday, it's a holiday. And my phone, I'm channel pay, that I'm much say, I'm sorry, Daddy Dana, Mossum or my Ghana. This morning, you have a person make a show on his head. All labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance. Let me repeat it again. All labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance and should be undertaken with painstaking excellence. Juma for bro. I was said the excellence now. Womu dana di dani dani now. Mu kwe juma mu dana di no. It should be painstakingly undertaken. You get it? Nothing. So you reward you or more what is due them. And only the little contribution they bring on board. Don't also forget that the little contribution also eka ho and a juma no ewiemu edie. So what you say? Ariti mayam for juma for a neagro. With Martin Luther King ho, and I'm quoting him again. Or say all labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance and should be undertaken with painstaking. Martin Luther King Jr. and Eka say. And there's one from Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. Or say the miracle is not what we do the work. The miracle is not that, yes. The miracle is not that we do the work, but that we are happy to do it. If you're happy to do the work you are doing now, I don't century no. I don't say nya juma na wo yer na yen century no. But then the happiness in you to work. And na wonya wo musa de chie bia wo kwa adwuma na enya ya wo ne anwinwi a wudi na wonya nigye wo mu aside e bia wo fi se yesisi wo yemfa wo mfa kwan paso yenhwe wo se kwan a wo se ye hwe wo yie nanso ni nyina mu no wonya nigye anigye de kwa adwuma no eno ne nsenkyere ne no. You see, you get my point. The miracle is not that you work every day, but the happiness in you now would ye jumano. That is the miracle. Because a nijene show muna would ye jumano and no nema jumano ekoye ediye ni jinane naiso. Na and no nema free wakume muni wa jinimu eye jumano. And so if you do that, it means who shre jumano through your works. So wo frɛ nigye mu ye adwuma wo hyire adwuma no through the happiness na wo mu no ne wanyu wo adwuma na wo ye na wo hyire adwuma na wo ma adwuma na ekoso so wo de anwinwi ye adwuma anko ye enyina ne nan so because basa wo nti wanim anya adwuma no but what you say Mother Teresa de na me no wo cha do pay and na ye made nti na me no wo echesa na mai. The miracle is not that we do the work, but that we are happy to do it. That's the miracle. That is the miracle. And that is what I want us to talk about this morning. And only me nioma me person opa me twiwa bi esiso na ye di tu ye hofo ye di hye ye ho nkran. Ane ene wankwa adwuma wotifie wutie me. But me person wo hye we nso. Ade ya chi bia na sa wo bekwa adwuma. Ya na ye di wo fam no. You see, ya fatu nchen. Ma juma wura no enhunu say. Juma no wonim ye na wo ye the free wakomem. E basa na ketua wo nyame ho. Wo nso wa ketua wo nyame ho. Nti nyame behwe wo juma no so no atua wo ka. Pastor what you say? Are you with me this morning? I want to psych you this morning. Na fi nso hunu say juma na wo ye no. One, onye ma wo ho. Two, enye juma wura na wo ye de ama no nemmom wo ye de ama nyame. There's a miracle behind when you are working with happiness. So this morning let's go to Psalm 90 verse 17. Psalm 90 verse 17. One who baby me do free no me do ko ratchero do mu na fe wo hu say juma na wo ye no enhira wo ho. Psalm 90 verse 17. May kind brofo na yi kave me aboa me chi no na fe yeko. Or say may the favor of the Lord our God rest on you. May the favor of the Lord our God rest on you because of say wodi anigye eye adwuma nti. Na Ewurade ye Nyankopon anim tie emra yenso na yensa anu adwuma no manunye yie ma yen yensa no adwuma manunye yie. So Oh, say this here. Afi yanko Deuteronomy 28 verse number 12 and so. Nafi and also yan ready and so eka. Or say the Lord will open the heavens, the storehouse of his bounty to bless all the work of your hands. Kevin said, what be Deuteronomy 28 verse 12 and so. Not your the Lord will open the heavens, the storehouse of his bounty, to bless all the work of your hands. And here, Juma na wo ye no. Minu ya ba, minu ya bemba, me mame, me papa. Mfani agro. Free wakuma mu na ye Juma no. Iradi be shira why. Deuteronomy 28 verse number 12. Wasi iradi be bue na depa krabia. Eye osoro no amawo na ato asase so osuo ne bremu na washira wonsa no adwuma nyina na wode befem amanaman pi na wode worenfem obi hobiribi wode worenfem obi hobiribi odaze. What you won't do be ideas for China media? One yet that because it radi be shira one son Juma. Te Juma be a warrior no pay no. Must seven on the tintin in its one baby and person do pee in a say. Through a kumemu, for Nijie, for ye Jumano. As I would ye Nijie ye Jumana, a radi be ton super guso, a radi be shira with Jumano eso, one son with Jumano eso. Jumana way any radi be shiraso. Irade be ma wakitua pa na irade e ma wonsre nida se nipa na wo ye na dwuma no yeso obesisi wa oni irade de ono ena nsunsanso be ba ne so but wo na wotie me no obenya kitua pa afri irade ho and that's what I want to share with you e wo kasa fidie so aka minute ne ba ko na no nso abo sports for be ba na yekoba gold board omuchiri mo amakoto gold e dia free da mines for eho ya ba e bedi ho nkomo e doso pa chance na Bank of Ghana omuchiri mu say 2025 loss o mo yenke ye no nso no ho nsem e wo ho a eba a teacher for ku bi e chire mu say 7,000 employment aban ye no isu akora wo mo kasa ho de ensem ahodo P8 to ja na no pa yin so me ne wo be hwe video bi toda mpenifo ta kase abusua dofunu echirika na kwa asem ne se eyampa o eyampa anopa me ne wo behwe video bi na nura me hwe me wura hoye ma me wura hoye ma e ka me he se abusua se wote ase na wo kwa ahokyire mu wo kwa amanie mu a abusua mfa wo nya hwe ye nwene wo ho ye no opa akopie mu hospital na boka seden abusua mfa wo ho but then ko hospital na free mu na yesi wa boka 200 million wo mo fa sika na mra nsa ne ya ba be fa wufunu no abusua be kwa akopesa sika no aba be fa wufunu no but se what hospital ho ne ya kase ya pe 2000 20 million 5000 50 million ye dia discharge ye dia to drama wa abusua emfi ho areho asefemonso erunti anopai menu betie no nso kakra bi ya bansana ya kamunina na ya de abrowa kasafidie so midinde Kwame Ejako nti sports one betena se momo no mo de ya gudie mo nsam so de abrowa okay na ya made yes eti bedejum kakra be fam na ve maba why bedejum kakra be fam na maba me koba after 9:30 no na sports for no beba na fi wo de dia kari nyina so de abro but na de enso obonje oba home but morning show for the winning for God and country ajase and 74 mine no ho de ye bom saa na ye koba saa nti no Calvin what dey repeat enyom na wo born sisi a no for me na fi nso me na me ho kakra mfansu kakra bi ngome me na se me ba na de aka ni nyina nso ye de ato aso de amawo but abusua dofunu onim sa Jaropa imeji wa dwinchire wo WhatsApp 0509438500 0509438500. What I say obey no odi okura fafa ho bra. Na yempe hunu ne enti ase se e yampasa abusua wo mu dofunu echirika e yampa. I know the question of the day anopa yi me pesa me ne umie ne bisa ye ho. Na yenya dwensachra e wo saa eniema yi ho. Yenya dwensachra wo sansem yi e ho. Se busuani unua bi wadanfo bi wo ho nipa bi ho kire ne pa no wo ho kire mu a omfi no chese omfa boga kra anye soan chese de o ka no kra mfa wo ho but so firi mu dia emfa ho ne sika abusua beka se o namfofo ye contribute say abusua ye di sei ba anuanom ye di sei ba obekwa akopesa sika na kwa kotua ba nipa na tiase no de na wo mfa no mama nyi wa dwenchira no pai 0509438500 0509438500 bit me the adventure dia fa honum aba ya be kenkan e dia mawo o join here on Facebook on so Sompa 93.1 live ya honum and also bit me the adventure dia fa honum aba ya be kenkan dia mawo sanso na YouTube and so bit me join here was Sompa TV live bit me join here ho na fi ya jiji wa adventure e wo ho Kevin enyum na ye ready a fafam kakra bi mfuma me anan so say wanya Kofi Kinata nenyom foforo na ba what title no for nothing say nyom no so ye me de pa na say Kelvin obenye no na so obebo eno a me say we na mpesa we ye ma me anopa yi for the first 24 seconds of Kofi Kinata nyom no tie ni ye pa ava ma me tie ma wadwene nko ho na tie nsem na ewo saa enyom no mu me ba ya me koba ya me no bewura abusia sa video na buy no eho the first 24 seconds of Kofi Kinata nyom no tie ma me afi owia okọ de ko 1 minute honom ekọ wenim so na wasan ma wadwene akọ na watie nyom na ama me ensem bi wo ho mpese wutie Calvin are you ready Kofi Kinata for nothing first 24 seconds me facho ma wadwene nkọ ho pa na tie ma me first 24 seconds ma wadwene nkọ ho pa ma me ensem bi wo mu obekeka wo ho me pese wutie no so na wo de show ho kran edi two ho for nothing Kofi Kinata Kevin, are you ready? I am called.
Napo, to Menda, Abo, Boof, Kofi Kinata. De Jala Quantam Brantam, Yanyabra, Balletintam, Napo, to Menda, Abo, Boof, Kofi Kinata. De Jala Quantam Brantam, Yanyabra, Balletintam, Yawampasi and no, that's him some, if you was say, maybe you know, you're feeling poor. Maybe you know, you better have no, what's the essence of life?
I don't know what is the essence of life. Kelvin said, repeat, Mamma, Shassi, I'm having my tea for you, dear, and you mean, no moon, dear womb. What I say, repeat it, quite in a Shassi for Mammy.
Napo. To Menda, Abo, Boof, Kofi Kinata. De Jala Quantam Brantam, Yanyabra, Balletintam, Yawampasi and no, that's him some, if you was say, maybe you know, you're feeling poor. Maybe you know, you better have no, what's the essence of life? So you should eat your way up. Never let anyone go, so I can't come up. Na waka sambi mamati obila nokula be nyambo obila nokula be jebo mama sha obila nokula be nyambo obila nokula be jebo mama mengi menyu adasa sama sato do na fra momfa mama mengi menyu adasa Sama sato do na from mfa, menya police, menya fire, menya ambulance. Malamu phone na from me pia mfa. Koba, madu. Mabla wanana, tebia, abla bom lectures. dachi me bedi, dachi me beshe, dachi. Mama munyu ni muona, yufuniti ya aina no me bedi mpo. Kwako she 10 bedrooms, nasu odonti obido bininchen. Wadam kulubu, wampa kulubu. Kasi bedi jeni de bebre na, wan shantalum fanje. Down, watch out. Shot the little friend, dama down. That one little designer, by this time, Pilano Kula, be jambo. Pilano Kula, be jambo. Pilano Kula, be jambo. Pilano Kula, be jambo. Uma megi menu adasa. Sama Saturday night from Mumfa. Woman, me give me you atasa. Sama Saturday night from Mumfa. Me police, me fire, me ambulance. Malamu phone na from me pia Mumfa. Go back, Madu.
MCR, give me a replay of this song again. So replay. Now the MHS.
Move, Kwame Nkwantabisa. Debiala kwantam brantam, ya nyabra wale dentam. Ya wampasi ya no, ya si musam. If you are say, baby ye na ya febinko. Me shushe ina ye beja wa hapa. No, what's the essence of life? So ya shushe ne ye jawa ya kwa. Neba yeda no wa hampo, sa wakaya nkamambo. Na waka sambi mamati Pilano Kula be jambo. Pilano Kula be jambo. Pilano Kula be jambo. Pilano Kula be jambo. Uma megi menu adasa. Sama Saturday night from Mumfa. Uma megi menu adasa. Sama Saturday night from Mumfa. Me police, me fire, me ambulance. Malamu phone na from me pia Mumfa. Go back, Madu. Mabla wanana, tebia, abla bom lectures. Dachi me bedi, dachi me beshe, dachi. Mama munyu ni muona, yufuniti ya aina no me bedi mpo. Kwako she 10 bedrooms, nasu odonti obido bininchen. Wadam kulubu, wampa kulubu. Kasi bedi jeni de bebre na, wan shantalum fanje. Down, watch out. Shot the little friend, dama down. That one little designer, by this time, Pilano Kula be jambo. Pilano Kula be jambo. Pilano Kula be jambo. Pilano Kula be jambo. Uma megi menu adasa. Sama Saturday night from Mumfa. Woman me give me you adasa. Sama Saturday night from Mumfa. Me police, me fire, me ambulance. Malamu phone na from me pia Mumfa. Go back, Madu.
We every coffee kinata aswaye for nothing. Me sure sa shase no utie ni ye na utie nwum no ensem no so ewo enwum no mo anopay. Straightforward me no call me call no me ka kire o say abusia edofo no echirika. Enje ye the video bi beto so ama watie emonsem. Abrante bi a wayare akoda hospital be se na wotwe miensa. Areho papa na wotwe miensa oyare koto hospital ama nurse for ni doctor for ehwe na eka ebaye ye frɛ abusuafo bɔ mo ama ne say wo mo de hie aba be pie mo hospital ayi ukopie mo we eastern region asem ye frɛ ba bi hwehwe ye frɛ ho hwehwe koyare da ho be ye na wotwe miensa nurse for hwe no doctor for hwe no sa penda ye frɛ abusuafo obie ni ho a wode kapre baaye obie ni ho nso a oyi nanim sɛ ane minua nie me banie me busuani nie madamfo nie ɛno nti ɛka na wabɔ no me ba bitua nti wei na nursefoɔ no ne doctorfoɔ no tena se adwene ho na ɔmo gye tu mu sɛ abrante de ayɛ no deɛ ɛka no wabɔ paa na woda hɔ nso no wonni kapre a wode bitua but the asaw yadeɛ wo ho atɔ wa awie ɛno nti yɛbɛfa plan bi na plan na yɛbɛfa no sei na teɛ yɛbɛfrɛ w'abusuafoɔ anaa mpo yɛbɛkɔ ne akɔbɔ w'abusuafoɔ ama ne yɛ sɛ woba hospital woba yɛ hɔ ama yɛhwɛ wo bat fofie anto ata wawu wokɔ wayɛ nyame dea sɛ bɛyɛ abusuafoɔ no bɛba na ɛka no a wode no ɔba bɛtua nti hospital no nursefoɔ no fa adwene saa ɔmo ne aberanteɛ no gye to mu ɛna aberanteɛ no nso ɛkɔ cd yɛ sɛ yes they should take those steps na afei wɔn ntumi ɛnya saa sika no ne ɛka no a wabɛbɔ wɔ hospital hɔ kyɛ abusuafoɔ kɔbɔ anaasɛ nursefoɔ yi kɔbɔ abusuafoɔ amaneɛ as a story na meka but ɛyɛ asɛm a asi yɛkɔbɔ abusuafoɔ yi amaneɛ a na de kyeɛ abusuafoɔ asɔre aba hospital hɔ abɛtuatua ɛka wodoɔ nyinaa aberanteɛ no bɔɔyɛ fɔ na wɔtwe mmiɛnsa no yɛbɛtua ne nyinaa wɔn tua wie na afei wɔn bisa sɛ yɛde hyeɛ no na munu no ɛwɛn momfa ama yɛ na afei yɛnkɔfa yɛde yɛnkɔ ɛna nursefoɔ no sɛ ne mu ni akyie wɔn di wɔn akyi baayɛ na aberanteɛ yi na ɛte ɛyɛ ward hɔ nom a ɛsɛ ne ho dendenden afei abusuafoɔ ate shock afei yɛ sɛ ɛkamɛ sɛ ɔmo bu afu kura ne saa sɛ adi nti na nursefoɔ na gyegye ɔmo you see can you imagine eti wiase na sɛ sɛ ayaba no sɛ sɛ baabi akɔ akɔduru no nipa nwene nipa ho nipa mfa nipa ho nipa mfa nipa nyɛ hwee sɛ ni nua o sɛ ni nadamfo sɛ ni busuani bɛwu a ɛmfa no ho ɛnha no ɛnyɛ ne ya sɛ owu wie no ɔbɔ kadeɛ a ɛnka ne coat na ka ne shirt but sɛ ɔte ase paa sɛ ɔbɛbɔ ka wɔ ne nua ne ho nadamfo ne ho ne ba ne ho ɔnyɛ da abusua ɛdeɛ atirimɔden ɛna aba yɛ afa sɛ nipa saa na medwene ho a mente ase ɛdeɛ bɛnti na nipa yɛbɛtumi abehave saa why menim wanya experience ni bi da ebi ato wo da ɛka bɛyɛ sɛ wobɔ ka na sɛ wokɔ abaneɛ bi mu a yɛmfa wo ho o yɛmfa wo nyɛ hwee o ɛmpuso abusua o but sisi a wu na hwɛ sɛ yɛka sɛ yɛmfa yɛka ne sɛ 1 billion mmra ansa na yɛaba abɛfa wɔ mu no a abusuafoɔ ne namfofoɔ ɛbɛnya saa sika no aba abɛtua ane sɛ wawu sɛ wafiri mu sɛ wonka ate asefoɔ ho biam na sɛ abusua ka sɛ anaasɛ yɛka sɛ abusua mfa sika sei mmra abusua bɛnya adɛn na sɛ yɛtiri mu ɔden ne yɛnwene nipa ho mfa nipa nyɛ hwee saa na ɛnyɛ me nwanwa sɛ ɛnnɛ obi bɛkɔ hospital ɔyale pa emergency ne yɛbɛtumi ahwɛ no ma nipa no awu na ɛnyɛ me nwanwa sɛ nipa bɛtumi ako ne yɔnko nipa ɛwɔ adwuma sɛm nti position sɛm nti nipa bɛtumi ako ne yɔnko nipa asase ho nsɛm nti nipa bɛtumi ako ne yɔnko nipa sika sɛm ho nti nipa bɛtumi ako ne yɔnko nipa adan a ɔbɔ ne ho mmɔden kyɛn no adan a onimade no yɛ kyɛn no ɛnyɛ me nwanwa na Kelvin wo yɛ sɛ video na yɛ ready a moma yɛma yɛ ne yɛtiefoɔ yɛntie nhwɛ kakra yɛntie nsɛm no ne de yɛsi yɛ ne de yɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ o join your Facebook I think you will have a clear feel of it but say your radio so the better sound no better nsɛm no ne commentary na ɛnam aseɛ no nti Kelvin are you ready amome yɛnkɔ okay I see enti MC afo egu so keka ni o ma si ani se video no wo sa ebe kana vi wo de atoso de amaye because enwanwa wo awe ho nso awe ho ena asefem se sa ni ma nyina ene etumi koso etumi happen ene sa ni ma nyina etumi happen etumi si se nipa wewu oko wewu ko but then say say ha la me hu asem mpo amenka me hu asem a menya den menka I am a video no into me ready our air ornament and I don't know I'm finding it hard to phantom say this is what is happening but your bomb the ananka what to me tie and some no be said you see course on said you sit abusia form fa ho abusia phone check it say ya this year ni oko hospital eka waboni na eka no wo say abusia fo kokotia na wo mo gi o mo this year abusia fo say yamfa ho abusia fo say enye ye case abusia fo say chese fire ho kra but then yakoka kire abusia fo say abrantie na wu no abrantie na free mo no de we are cool. They were so cool and in a rush to say ombekwa kwaye den wombekwa kuchiaka na fi womaji omo this year we are no is it akwakoye just we are simu osumu we are no say dey bia ya duru no dey ke enyo say dey asa ya nwini ya yonku nipa ho bie mu ya nwini ya yonku nipa ho bie ya mfa nipa ho na nyame nwa say wo bi wu a o dey hwe ayi ase pa ho na obehu decorations mo ahodo ho na obehu fried rice ne jollof ne ayi banku ne tilapia ne nasefo wo wu awie na ho na yesi e ba be hye na nimonyam nipa na wu awie no afa ne ye be hye na nimonyam wo te ase no de animonyam hye bi anim o te ase no animonyam hye bi anim o ye ni bibia ya ye de be hye na nimonyam na ya ma nipa na hunu ne wiase nyina hunu sampa or this year, but who we are. Kevin, I think by this time you should be ready. Check him, mommy. Nafi. Yeah, I'm Korean him. What were we know? Contribution no. Ubia betia. A free costiso, because in a quart tasso, a bessin called Tiviaso, Yanko Magoso, a bessin called Kokumanuso. Ebesene ko amamansa ebesene ko a kuoku ho ebesene ko ayi chese obia betua so oni bi kura obekwa kopa bi aba betua yenti kakra
ya edofunu ena ebusuan so echirika na asem mesebi nto da nhun bi da na wonti bi da video twan na hwe owi a woso ma wonua bi nya bi hwe na memfa nkopie mu wa Eastern region eye kwawu enkwatia a eno wo kwawu East constituency eho ana asam kasie yi bi esi ewo kwawu enkwatia government hospital nya ne se abrantie ya ohunu wo video mi yonte otempai so yi yefre no Mr. Ketekra na Mr. Ketekra efihwehwe eho na papa ite na for the past by 2 to 3 weeks ni papa ajare yare modin ababeda enkwatia government hospital na ya frɛ busuafo afrafra busuafo abo frɛ we ya yo hu saa mate minimo ke mate baba saa 3 weeks afi hospital no hwe ade ni eya yenyan because papa ndro benom de no bedi ne obehye enyina ababada hospital so nti nurse fo bi e won nchen na o ma hwe support na ebesi sa abere nti won ya adwen se ndie na wani Mr. Kitekra mfa adwen na won fra ebusuan kan che se Kitekra efim mche se Kitekra ewu se na be ebusuan be ba na fe kai ohobi o ma hwe ebe betua na Kitekra nso te ase edi omufi address na ma nurse ba ko na hospital no suma no ko hwehwe ko ba amanne na ne yesi ye ko ba amanne no en yewu Kitekra de eja hwanyo ade chinya na ebusuan fa ka to have a pair of video me or can ebusuan fo na ba no bi ono die ni ma omo baaye omo baaye betuatua kai na en de karon de ebowo no matua ebowo no matua ebowo no matua ebowo no matua omutua na awie na ebusuan ka so you en de say ye wi ampamcho en de emu no wo hene mfa nkwa na hospital say na momre ebusuan wo ko bi epunu ma ebusuan fo so won fo mu nkwa Mr. Kitekra ena ote empai so eno moti en de ebusuan fo ne dwa bruta o de omedwa bruta omedwe say bi kura se he yenja no mbonese fo na ni because e ka o ma bebetua wo nya kaketwa a we chesa empai ebusuan echirika na ma obusuan edofunu no we a perfect example we esi ewo kwa enkwati a mesi ebufu sama aba ho no na sana nkofo buofu no akoya asam sebe o de yenhwe video yi na yema
because of said they are possible okay I know what thing jay me but me yaketwa ye nim ko batu libra mumuni muchimi moyemu bia abese ye nwa we abega evi po etaha for so what's be no sister be wa sister be mi akra so any sisters be wa akra e so no go kan no kofi ayi libra Uti ase.
ebusuan eya empanifo kan asem se ebusuan
enti no ena ati se ebusuan ko pie mo hospital hodo ma se wo mo tie so ekika kansem enti ewade na nyankopon enti nipa tiri mo den sa enti nipa person yonku nipa ewu ansana kakra ewo no ho no wa yie pie ansana sika ekuta no o de adijuma boa nipa no nifunu but so what ase de a nifunu de yentumi mmoa no aw mo ma yense san adwene o mo ma yense san firi ne ma bi hu na emmoa ye ne o yentumi ntena se ma yetimu nya den sa o yentumi ntena asasi so ma yetimu nya den se o tinata ze do yonko se wo ho na atro sem ne kan ya no ente sa bie mu ya no ye ho biem odo bia ni ye ntemu biem wa asasi so nipa no nipa biem sisi ade sa na me ho no nipa enno nipa biem nipa mfa nipa nya hwe but ma nipa nwu ma funu no meda ho afa de nipa no onse hwe ne entumi mfa no nya hwe biem na de ano de ye boka de a ye pe nti mpanifo ka se nipa ede no enti sa biem ana nipa ede nso ye nwene nam enti sa biem ana nipa anya de biem nipa nse hwe ampa nipa yense hwe ampa yense hwe timpa chore anopa ye me pese me ka kire o de say wona mo ahwe wo su yi wai abusuan no abusuan fa wo nya hwe abusuan fo no wo mo mfa wo nya hwe wo mo mfa wo nya hwe o wo mo no wo nti hwe wo su yi na wa bo ho modin na nyame nso nya den enhyiraw emfa wo ntu nipa so emfa wo enkasa me wo fa nie me bra nie me nua ba nie me nua ba ma nie asimasi ye madamfo da bi jaisa pe wo de pewodie amfa ho ntu nipa so na nipa nye nipa ye fucking nipa ye fucking there's this saying say nipa ye cutlery set nipa nye wo nipa nye di bacho anopa idea make a show ne se hwe wo so yi why wan hwe wo so yi na say amane bi to a anwe ye honum say wo fam wi na recover mu ewie a anwe ya wo busuani no bia ni ho abekasa no na branch e minim say ofiri mu fia ofiri hospital hakwa minim say wo mo ye ni nuanom wo mo ye ne namfofo ne nabusuafo say woni omo besan akasa mpo anampo say oni omo besan atena anya asetena pa bi wo ho de a minim because I will asifim yanso and ra many bo video yi so na me tie mu nsem pa me re ho ye o experience ana o experience ni bi wa wo tie me wo experience ni bi would you want to share something with me about asemia ACCC idea cause the CI ana would you want to share something with me ana okay ma me ma o minute be ye edu na ye ntie na ye mfa nya disua kakra bra me nsia bibi kitua bi why etisa wa fa bi mu saada ebi asida wo nim bi a asi a wo ne ye betumi a che me pese yesua de kakra na ye san so di tu ye hofo nti bra homa no so why na be ye ne ye nche be minute dupe 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 and 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 why experience bi da ebi akoso da se abusuafo se die wo mu dofunu echirika etisa sankomo no etisa ewo ho why experience bi da sa na tie die mame mfa me first caller wa homa no so hello yeah good morning
hello
good morning
yeah good morning boss
odi ni ba bi free
na pa che frame na se be katafi we na kwada so
na se
me from pa na me won Germany ebusienti na me kon Germany we fa ensuo so and that was 2007 na me call you no ebusiafo no me yete me bi say aboa wo mu everything me di musie kakra na me pese obi abeteme nka e ma me si e dan wo tech odium esem de ma me ya mamo na me si fie no if you no through na len TV ye no enumu na Mr. Penyini ni kru wi eti badafo o number Ghana frame say akoku na o se kru wu o mo say o sister onto adaka no fancy ni kru no enam si mate na badafo say o na 10 million wo no mo scan ye na 10 million so 10 million na fama wo mo no mo fanto adaka ene badafo say wo ni 10 million ni it what am say any from number the ma wo mo 11 years to German ena odi me number ma wo mo odi ma wo mo frame ena me no mo nya enkutahudie ena me sister wo mo say adaka ka say no say ai ena me ma no sika no enu akire ena me sa ha dan flat e ma no so na me wie fie no e say no be o tem na me nim wo na edan ni sa me ha flat na de na chini ba na me no na sa chibusu kwanta me say one family amba no so metre kuma sibi o si wo mu aba na wale ena mpenye hwe ena me ma enti wona ma wo mu sika kakra so obi aso fanye adwuma me ena me Mr. Penny ne ba so to adwuma mu o si obesua 3 ye ena me ne to adwuma mu Openi omuti menka ene na omuti menka 21 days pe obi am opepo ma ko school jama ma su adwuma o We just man as well say na police for the farm. E me dey me farm military place, soldier place. And I had me for from Hamburg to Italy, Rome. And then I me found man pay the my bag and I see a deportment. Just like that. Almost in a paper now, maybe you should know. Me ba for asylum seeker na abana nyan to me. Na documents ni ye adwuma na ni school na me ko na agalanti me. It means ma for school ni adwuma. It in ye deportment. 11 years I said na mo deportment. Ya de me ba Ghana me nua ma tu no me ko yo ha we so ye bayifo me ko yo ha we so ye bayifo me de man fan ya asem e ba sa me ba ye so na me ko pe no jama no o mo fight so wo mfa me ko back eti na ehia se me ha dan eti e dan na me ha ma me sesa no enu bi na me ko da mu bi na me da form o lo pa be je say the end me saka kire me say ne babo 13 years won fa so che me eti mi tun free dan mu mi sa tu free dan mu
wow
o tu free dan mu adan ya me ha yo 28 million that those the 2028 years for American 28 million Mr. no o ka tell me say wait me ntra adan mu bi enti mi tu na ba je so pa ni ewia se de obedua bia wo betwa me nua ba de na chi ba na me a wo kogem namba no wo and Mr. Penny soon, then you know, for them. Not the experience here, my family Ebusium. It is Yamu, Ebusian, you be a same number. Send me phone number. We are fast, we are why you will be a same now contact. I'm not more my fella. Not the experience, I mean, minimum. I'm a Obe ma charge am I me to taxi car che obi e say me chu taxi me chu taxi wo na kuma say ba me say e mre nka chire
nyame ti ase da ase bi awo ye hodom me fa we nso ha na okay eti my yeti o experience e wo ho e de abusua e chirika abusua chirika edofunu sa netie se okwa ho kire mu abusua emfiu but se wu sisi ade a oh wufunu de entem so a ye beba be boka be fa. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Oh.
Yes, I would know be our friend free.
Yeah, me so say papa. We did what say. We ask na kasa no yeah before you see ade.
Okay.
Because I say who say we ask no enye ye dia. Onyame na ehwe nyina so ewunia ewubi na wo so wo mo bidi sika no wo afa na de ko tene wo sika mpempi du baby obitimi una obi mu de ne ka bibre ye buso ne kwa ni mu rezu tene pa no obefa so de big what have you yes and they said before you share there you who say we are so no ye there you we do ya so enti wo sika na gugu bibre na wo fa nya sia wo bi ama wo ye bibi ana bonya na unya so se be unya jang na so a o ka hoto yo ba ye before no ya ni sa ene o be di ni na cement bia no wa ya kwara ma na ono pe de da masi asamina busia fo no so omo ni sisi na dance ni kofi no na wo se ni oni abusia na so tan shedan ko ye because omo na ni
so me da CP azemo babra abusia do funu chirika o enye easy eti ela me di kan no oti wa no ahwe ho so yi pa papa anya sa ne ukopie mu ba bi se cream abusia nti ma me fa no ensi ho ye fa eno si wo na fe yemra medi nkomo enra the president of the republic ekopie mu wo eye akosombo ya okoye inspection with regards to enano ya yesi eji ahihie course na 6 transformers ehie no minim Kevin won saka video na me inspection no okoye ne de course ewo eye honum the benefit chire mu tia now ya restore ni nyina back kania no aba ya abigina ne nanso but ya hwan ha de minim say sa akosomu eja hye no ye ka ho bi ebi aka ye de aminim because there the experience I nambu na no odin anodin and rank mu dum light so presso sa more than 10 times ano effort be a ano efiri he ano ayede a na adentina mo ne yankasa me ntiase ne ehunu se wei ne ehawo no ai wo ho wei na ekoso wo ho nanka timemufo nso yenhunu na fe yenhu de be ye ho kanea no na echese ye dundum no rough sa ye dundum no up and down sa dia eti menim enra the president go kopie mu wo ho Kelvin minim say I ready a yebetumi any active wo ahwe o mo kopie mu voter river authority ne ECG for womo asoye. Kevin, are you ready? And Bibi enya amamre no. Very well. Yenti kakra.
And so when I heard that our engineers say they're going to find a way of bringing it back on, I wasn't surprised because I know VRA has some of the best personnel you can ever get anywhere in the world. So I want to thank you for the sacrifice. This is an act of God. I mean, who would have expected that the control room would develop this kind of fire? But of course, I hear it's been there since 1964. So they say in adversity is opportunity. Because now that this adversity has happened, it makes it, gives us an opportunity to replace with it a more modern control room that will serve this Akosombo plant and let it work for more generations yet unborn. And so I told the minister I was coming here to see for myself the work you have done. He's briefed me. You have 4 of the turbines back on, and he says that you're working another miracle and that I'll get good news soon with the remaining 2 turbines also coming back on. So I want to thank you very much for what you've done, and we encourage you to continue to work. VRA will continue to be one of the foremost state-owned enterprises, and Gridco and VRA, both of you, every support government can give you will continue to give you. Thank you very much.
Aruji, we are the president of the republic ya okopiemo owo eye akosomo efa eye ejashishi na she transformers ahodo wo holum no na akọ ya chese odina ni kohweye ehunu de ekoso ewo ho di yesremu se via mu se mo restore back sa eye transformers na hyehyehye mo de ni nyina ba into existence a yesremu dumso no adundum no moma esonte Kame say hwan hanom no ase anaju bia be say light off ade akyin so a yedum ne aso menim ba bia won so se de wo honom experience no so sitie say na eja dundum no so sitie wo bia ya wo honom bizi ya bro so mo say amanfo niema mo say amanfo mfidie mo say amanfo nuane mo say amount for businesses. Say nyam form so at least momenti ase say we na ekoso momra mbe ya announcement bi na timemofo enyanti ase say okay eda we ebre we say ne bekoso enu nti me wo mfidie bi ana me wo niema bi a adundum no betumi asay na mami num ni nyina enti wo sebe ya madundum ne presso no enko kano na enko say no. And it looks as if say yememu ha obi anya nteki ECG VRO ni Gridco on Gridco Nedco VRA ECG obi anya nteki mo on mfa mo nko court say mo hye ne nioma ema yenhu emra no se de esitie ne emra no se de ebesi ebetumi aka mo nti no ase de mo pe na mo ye. Because abroso de mo de yetimemufo ne Ghana fo no e ka me se mummu ye mumfa ye nya hwee but sabosumi so na mo beji mo ketua dia na mo beji ayi mo sika dia free to memo for dia and 10 times so na mo aba beji se mo ye adjustment na mo increase prices na dia and 10 times so na mo aba bontin but memuni na mo ji sika na dia free no honom no ase mo mfa ne nya hwi mo value no se mo nkane ano se de musi ye no se be sai ne niomo se nsai ne niomo se be ye den o se e bi kro bi da hospital by this time obehia oxygen sin so ye behia light ne they provide treatment they mani pa na mo mfa ho na de eme ya no se mudundum so kra na mo nsa ma bontin me carry me pacho Tigana for nani and Namusana and because say the MPP ni NDC in Temuntino NDC near MPP in Semuntino and I said the cost no air cost and I'm a farm who di because and send me one can was say ECG for Mona Mubabon Timba be yano but politicians be yano the mamma namudi muti nimo kwa see nti the hard questions now was saying katimemu for to me nya kwenya ebisa mo nonsense phones bisa mo no we don't get you to question you because politicians need you mutia ba be hye ho na mukuma manfo say amanfo eni o bo amanfo kasa yesra mo ya pamacho why ane mo djuma no nso mbe kire mu say edene Mojuma no so mbechire mu say sometimes unforeseen circumstances be to me see some things beyond mo control to me see there but then ye nipa moma ye ntiase what is happening say we ni na ekoso we ni na si chopa bi wo ha mo de aba mo fire fododo nti de be si bia ne de be koso bia ne yatimu ubia nso mfa mra kwan bia so ntino de etie bia ene ye nyina yetimu sa ne pa mo acho afidi mummu ye wan afidi mummu ye munhu ye nse ye ni ho a munni ho yetimemfo ye ne a ye use power no say ye ni ho a munni ho because say ye wo ho a na mo be provide electricity dia mai na se see as enkatimemufo ye nsa so ye ho so ene ye ka say now we will not rely on ECGBM we are going to rely on solar ne nasefo ene obi abo solar woni fie ene onyu so ECG a nkamo ntumi function biem kamo so manfa so ti mon ti ase na mon hunu say ye ni ho a munni ho ti niema bi wo ho na mo ya get us involved, get us informed. Let us be abreast with some things. Give us information. Let's know situations at hand, what is happening. Don't leave us to wink. Yes, Remo ya pamwacho. Ya pamwacho pa. Ya pamwacho. Because mo say nyoma mo say nyoma mo gunyuma nso mo say nyoma gunyuma nso mo say nyoma gunyuma o mo gunyuma o anra baba bi me modin ba bi owo mani gani say ye nra najo a oye obi adwuma ene dum light say fuen nipa no so oyi ne tie duru ba bi nyame ncha de na obi ben and as a company bi ben na wo mu use plant and we yi nipa na pie free shop ho and na ba betina abonten yi nipa niti you see we yi nipa na pie free barbering shop ho and na pie ba abonten o ekwan ho cars ne praga hodo ne nam abonten pa and what didn't panaba big jina atnasia o unity. You see, and you're fine. And last me Mrs. Asemu, time no say can your company no and a light or provide a light mouth me in penny peer bet na bontin on. I will be a who nipa na ye unity. I will be a who say ye you biti. And then your company no pa time no ko be ye den. Nko de nipa no nkoye ne sen Cause the nipa ne fine. ACG for me bisamo. Cause that time no nipa no call or the fine or the fa kwan benso. Though you have challenges, but where they are abroso, Ekabia is a moment who say you are incompetent, you are incapable. I said, "Mo juma no na say mo ya ma ye ntime mo fo ne ya Ghana fo ate ase say mo hunu so na mo hunu ye." Enu nti na de ekoso na ekoso. Because I say all of the time what is happening no na egusua esi 20 almost 20 years. Yenya ko 2007 20 years yes experience doom so experiencing challenges ewo eye electricity sector. Yentumi resolve ye. The engineers nim eni ho. Engineers nim ye how no. Nti muntumi solve problem no baby me ehu say now there's improvement. Awo ye energy sector. Anamu nim baby how no wo. Nti akoye say ye nim baby how no wonti no say ha na say atochi ma ne akwa akoso ano ha ene akwa akoso ano ha ene akwa akoso ano ha ne akwa akoso ano, but the real cause of the doomso ne kania dundumadu no mo nse da nim say ya how ne say generational capacity ene ya lack ya how ne say bia ye hia fuel ya like ye nse da nim ya how say ebia the demand capacity no and a wasoro a chain generation no the generating no demand no wasoro chain no and uti kwan we ni betumi afa so a meet the demand no ana and amo how no a distribution because Ghana for ankasa yen shed that nim ECG for how because politicians aje and omo kasa ti net no mo abeka wi adechie no mo abeka wi adechie no mo abeka wi adechie ni abeka wi, so we don't actually know the problem at hand which ye beka say ye tackle ye solve it ye resolve it ye put solutions to it. Mugunyuma pa ECG mugunyuma was me and Rami call from a friend or chairman say, the iron and the Kwame. These are my two major men for 3 months. And I asked the simple question. So who to move 3 months are workers now or workers be 12. I'll move your Juma on a company. Workers 12. And I'm saying the workers no the on first was I shall say no do the but I was na Kwame. Now the cost we need the see. I mean who me one no. Me nko dwuna Juma ye 4 ho. Chain a car me babebo. Enti now the cases or babe yedin. Abi ye dwuma fo yedi. Ana say obe ka kire mo say monko tena fie boso me miensa. Te nipa no okwa ko tena fie no. Se nyame amwa no no ankonya dwuma foforo bi anye. Nyame amwa no na ebia wan nya ba bia mfa ni ti ankwanko sha. Edwuma na edwuma bo no. Ni nyina because of light ECG. However, nipa no so okwa 3 months no a onye adwuma no. Hwe loss ahodo a oba be yenke. Tenyame amamu a adwuma no na egu. Because enra me ni di nkomo extensively. Na wutie nipa no nkomo pa me ni di ne voice no tone na utumi se ofa yaw mu. Ni mfidie essay. If you did 3, so do you know the cost? Not less than 30,000. Some fidye so kaso will replace here. Not less than 30,000. Dum so na ye dum ni aso sa preso. Not less than 30,000 ba could be the cost no. The cost no. And you want to mean produce beam. The obey so betum. The obey so betu ajuma. Timo guna juma. Mogu na juma. Mogu na juma o. Ho said no amene ne kasa me akra me wira human. Me wira human nra. Me wira human. Be man na to da yesi be man nsu. But we dey otumi say na ne voice ne mu no osu odi ya wo ni mu. Odi ya wo ni mu. Sa dum so ya nso e cause fire outages e hihye amanfo enyuma to be say edum na so edum obo na eja ti baby prr na hye no wa boka anya ne fault nso wa boka susuro so akwaje bank besia wa boka kwa be fa so a raise sika na kwa kotua na besia no emfo bia ho because enye Ghana ban how and enye ECG for how e yo no ne how ono na akwa kwaje besia ti ono na wo so okoko pesika no back wa boka susuru enye fine omaya yetimu ase all sectors function well unhu biaye ba bi se we de ye adwuma nti no ho de egina ne nan so da dani de nyina how ni asem foforo dani de nyina ya fero ntu nchen enra damai mines ya engineers and planners womu asoye babra me sure say wa finish Kelvin that video no womu donation demand the Black Stars of Ghana on the enche near be World Cup. I think less than 60 days, right? Na ye be USA, Mexico, and Canada. USA, Mexico, and Canada. And a game no ebe koso. Yeah, just engineers and planners. It's a donation. Now, Kevin said video na ye read ya. Let's watch it. Ni hunu the said amount one they call donation demand the Black Stars of Ghana no na ye hu de ekoso ewo hodom you see I wasn't called why head that I wasn't called why head that nanka we hunu de ye no but won hwe I said video no
that this Ghana that we want to build, we can build it in our own small way.
No, this is not the one. It's we has to do with gold no more cotton de ma a gold board no and no any there's other one or more donation de ma the Black Stars of Ghana GCB Bank moko donate sika kesi pa e ma and no enti kakramra
of institutions, companies, and individuals who pledge to redeem the pledges. Thank you. Thank you. The rest of institutions, companies, and individuals who pledge to redeem the pledges.
Okay, Haroji, and I'm 1 million Ghana cedi donation. The Black Stars of Ghana, engineers and planners. Now, me one more make it this call say, Ghana, Sika your best spending on your supporters, and when they are called you UK and as a phone, Kenya, me no more because K Yenisika. ECG na almost 1 month how many swatches say o bobo ka bebre dia gu ho no yenisika nti di obetumi akọ no honko na munya say we nso ba be da ban so say aban be finance and I think say obi bi obeko bia individually per head I say aban be boka almost $90,000 US dollars. I think so, yes. Nipa na ne call beko ne duani a obedi ba bi obetena na nasefo kopem ze bia group stages ne nko a de ka nipa no aban be bo per head ne qualify ne ekoye nim so a wo de hwe ka beto aso ye ni sika yesremo because some ka se mo de kwa party maya na mo betese mo de akọ party maya ne baba se so mo edu amako ne edi omako akogu ho bebre party maya ne baba se so mo dia ko enti to me dia mesramo me pa mo achopa me ma dwenkyere dia supporters ebi wo USA hodom wo ankobo ni echi ebi wo Mexico Ghana for ho ebi wo Canada Ghana for ho omo amo ni echi but se wo ankasa wo sika na pese wo kwa monko supporters union so se bia mo betumi akwakope sponsorship na mo akwakota Ghana for echi amonko ye betena ha hwe TV ni abo nsambo edi omachi ye niska ska ni ho sika enni ho cause hospitals na ne wo kwa wo mu ni beds yi wo mu ni beds a wo de be respond to emergency cases wo mu ni beds a teacher for na wo ko over be 300,000 bi tititi fie ye ntumi employer mu kopie mu the northern parts so schools bebre a teacher for ni ho because ye nisika ye de be employ sa teacher for ya mo makwakoye adwuma ye de be recruit omo no makwakoye adwuma ne atu omo ka sika ni ho ya short niema bebre nurse fon so wo mo nurse wo mo ni beds ya kwan nye school adan ahodo nso nye ye nsuo nsem nso nye nsuo nsem enye nyina ne nan so bibia nkoyie bibia nya adwuma nti mamu me yemfa sa sika no enkwasai no wo wo kapase mamu me yenye sa ye ni sika se wo benya sa sika na mom fa mra subsidize ye fuel na ene e pega ne homene so a e kunipa no mom fa mra me ti so mom fa mra me support wo honum na emwa na ente so ntumi nkodi sa sika bebrebe yi wo World Cup because 2014 ye nya experience and subsequent year ye ko nyina ye experience sika ye ko obekọ World Cup no kra ba no de FIFA de be ma yen no ye hunu ba bia ye di sika no de afa FIFA Go project sika hodo mo de be ba ye hu de ye di sika no de ye amanfo edi ACC stadiums ahodo ne ultra modern training facilities edi ama o mo man no ye ha de won chendi nko a mo ba no ma cheska na di nti means support na ye de mo no eso nimfaso aso nimfaso mamu me nha ye ho nkɔhye ye sika nkɔsɛ ye sika mamu me nha ye ho nkɔ to sika wu players no ni o management no nkɔ wa wo sika na wa kutwa plane ticket no afa o ho akɔpɛ hotel a bɛda no akɔ support ɛno na ye true love tio ɛno na ye true love no ɛno no nye de aban finance wa fund wo de wakɔ no nye no wo so do Ghana pa wa fund wo ho finance wo ho fa wo ho kɔ World Cup no na kɔ support ye ni sika we don't have money ye ni sika ti mo me nja no na Ghana no ye kɔ kra ye beto to say ye kɔ kra ye kɔ ba he ahia ne ye kɔ akɔbɔ ni atoso sen nunti ye ba be boka aha ye ho ahyisika ama manfo adisika na management GP dem gi allowances akese because e braso se ebi titi o mukoko yesramo ye niska aba wacho ye niska kra nti mo nyai afi Kelvin yanko anra
thank every person that has contributed to seeing this. We have shown that a Ghanaian can do it and do it better and do it for the benefit of the Ghanaian economy. This gold was not taken to anybody's house. It's been handed over to Ghana government through the gold board, and the benefit will be for all Ghanaians to experience in the near future, not far from now. Thank you very much. And we can assure you of our continuous supply as long as the prices are competitive, like you said. So that the benefit of giving such large-scale mine to a capable Ghanaian will be for all of us to see and for generations to come. Thank you very much.
All right, Kelvin, sa repeat video no ama me biem. We are lawyer for a ENP. but or to cheek bi wo ne hodom ne hu hia say this gold has not been taken to anybody's house. You see, we communication now we and ho na ni wo kan say we this sa kasa ndi shim because yanka say obi mfa gold nko say obi fie say mo beton ma gold board o ma beton ma mo emfa ye ho enye yasem so sa cheek now wo to ho no no so eno no ye den. Sometimes we must learn what to say where and when to say some of these things. Cheek no na ye den because anamona EMP2 and a fine pa a come up which I have a near my hodo a minimum bidi hun komo e dia fa but sa cheek now wo to ye no lawyer na hu hia. You are a respected lawyer. We know whom he has all cancer and say it was not taken to anybody's house. What do you call BVI if I want?
One small way by contributing to the stability of the economy, building our reserves, and we thank every person that has contributed to seeing this. We have shown that a Ghanaian can do it and do it better and do it for the benefit of the Ghanaian economy. This gold was not taken to anybody's house. It's been handed over to Ghana government through the gold board, and the benefit will be for all Ghanaians to experience in the near future, not far from now. Thank you very much. And we can assure you of our continuous supply as long as the prices are competitive, like you said, so that the benefit of giving such large-scale mine to a capable Ghanaian will be for all of us to see and for generations to come. Thank you very much.
Our first production, 110 kg, 110 kg. And I'm cotton a modicoma a go board. 100% go da omunya ye almost chassis first 100% omudinina at the coma go board our na go board act no me pese me no wura kakra na ye din komo on say a chassis a ebobobo eba na EMP ye did that mind ma ye Yura Ibrahim Mahama ni EMP ni nasefo no so obehye no nso a me make and I say me make commentary bia emfa ho da me nka asem bia emfa ho da because na me hu ne say yes a loud abo say Ghana ya benya a individuals indigenous omo free Ghana na womo be oni large scale mining companies and nampo womo be oni businesses are so na eyo mo de wo memo ha because sika no mo be making nyina no krom ha ya na e ba betena sika no mo be making nyina krom ha ya na beka enti se wo no mo na wo mo make sika ni nyina ewi a no mo asoa no mo de ko mo krom enti sa enti me na politics na bata unti na I didn't want to make any commentary on that but se wo kohwe section 2 B and C of Act 114 Gold Board Act no 2025 or more year. So we kind section 2 B and C. Over time a conversation now me know about be make an pay ase. Because sa me person about companies be adin. Sa companies akese na omo ye adwuma no. Wo mu wia wo mu pa so wo hwe Gold Board Act na nkasa. Wo mu pa no beton gold no dey ama Gold Board o. And you go board no, but you obey the gold no dear free a small scale miners and as for no and obey dear free. Now Omoko can say, Go board act in the muse, Omokwan be a sole exporter of gold no. Na and can these large mining companies or encounter move. Want to mean case money exporting the gold now produce no. Because on no work agreement say we produce when I equal buying when I timemu for ebenya. Owia only gold ni sika no no atam no akwa akoton oni gold board ni asembia enti se okokwan sa act na e ho na chire madwene be 2025 when back in nyane many lawyers for di hu komo pi na me penchire mu ahodo de free sa act no section no 2B and C no hodom because e ho na de air can say hwɛ me can Adam say hey go board any I was a break kwa ni me no womo ya amendment to that act because me can hodom no eche maso mantiase eche maso pa mantiase you obeni mantiase I'm trying so hard say be menya yes act no e dey amount na fi making kan ma watiase because a honum no bra me kan ye sister me kan ye na chima adwene I'm trying so hard say me di be boa me na fi me to me I read the said act na me kan ho asem no e de akire no we hunu say de no esitie e wo honum so you bear with me kakra, because a honum na it was talking about say woman gold board on kwana be export no akwakoton ye gold no e de akọ emonten, but then now it doesn't include sa I can't say section na me pe na makan e de akire wo ye honum no. Oh my goodness. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 mon fan cheme na say ya atwa famu kakra bi mon fan cheme oh my goodness. But I'll search for that. Na me the amount. I'm say me anya act not wrong. But when I get it, I'll read to your hearing. Nafi one and someone one more air cow hono much say so large scale no. Mra who do it now it doesn't teach them. And the chiro one be to me export to good. Apart from small scale miners in Kwa. Ena saa ati meka se na echichiro mo ewo eye ehonum. My phone is giving me a bit of a pressure kakra mo fan cheme, but when me nsaka I'll read it for you to hear na fi wo hu said ye ehonsem no esi etie ewo eye ehonum na yetumi anya nchiremu. I want us to understand something na bibia tumi akoye dia mai, because the EMP mama nyanti ase mama nya nhunu mu say ye wo miners wo hanum a wo mu free ye memu ha no mu too good na ye betumi aye mra ama na cover sa for you say and we a large scale miner there, but we are we gold no e wo say wo beton ma gold board nko na betumi export to sa gold no nti basa na sika ni nyina ne mfaso bia wo se o man no enya no ye benya mfaso bia wo se o man no enya no ye benya na sika bia wo se eka wo o memu hadom no aka hadom sika bia wo se yenya wo hadom no na fi yanya na mfaso bia wo se eka wo hadom no na aka wo ha. And I'm trying so hard. I'll get that for you in the meantime. But ye bebrem mame nkoton ade kakra na memra me ba I'll get you that said section ne ye de and someone na or ka ho because anopai I me glance through cry anopai ya na me no eba beche, but then I say na adwuma no so one man show what is here 1 man show tilo amase abafra neoma bakumino, but my main phone could be more tago heba mixture and capsules or my soy. Now if you mean come from farm say erectile misfunctional obey mana into me sorry in and also now feel so into me jumano me so tago heba mixture and I may come for the amount so obekwa ko pebi na fi etumi aboa na wa peke wo hono wetumi gina wo nan so kama na de wasa wo ye no wetumi aya afi so low libido watenka no so e wo fam woni atenka wo ye oba wo de ye so mu sesen kra na wo so wonte hwi debi enya watenka ene wo achiro enya watenka na wo achiro o yare da bia se de ya make no yade na yare o yare pa nti wohia tago herbal mixture se ube yusu na tumi aboa na enioma tumi asi ne nan so na enioma so tumi afa ne ntuma pafra nti unya tago heba mixture and I feel so infections ahodo bia how no infections ahodo a wonam na how no me pa so unya tago heba mixture oba de e wo se wase honom no wase hodom no pa so ho ye nom ye kama ho eye kama na bema bahwa wonya nidie e wo ho because bema e ba ho no nya nidie pe waka bema e ba ho na se wonya din anigye a waka onko ba bia biem onni ba bia ko waka yetimi se okopet tago herbal mixture and capsules na bobobi na nonom bi me ba cho ko drugstore ni pharmacy shop bia na won sabeka eye tago herbal mixture and capsules yi bi na fin so watumi ayi su frem 0243 228 296 0243 228 296 nothing so wakwako yusubi na fia tumi abo RSY Novigi Studios and I may come for the amount of pay RSY Novigi Studios and I may come for the amount of pay say me bacho ope baby nothing so what you sini no and now ope wo mo ye professionals no ma be twa the amount ope studios a obetumi atwa o movie bia na se wotwa snip bia na se nioma bia peso ye no ope baby atwa me pa so for wani achiemu wo RSY Novigi Studios na fin so watumi aboa na fin so sa movies niema ni nyina yatumi aboa na akoyie e de amount or Accra Malama Biase off First Kokroko Street from 0574 715 778 0574 715 778 and 0303 974 822 RSY Novigi Studios and I may come for the amount Roman Father Druno so na make come for the amount say a numbness, a stroke, body pains, new weakness, pressure, ni diabetes, chronic diseases nyina me ba show make come for the amount a year a honum tea me so compare Roman Father Druno e bi na bobo bi na no bi na afi ntumi mo na gina wo nan so drugstore ni pharmacy shop bia obenya bi wo ho 0247919122 0552668517 na fi so wabobi Kwame Atrans ma me na chi na fi ye nwura mu na ensem no ye de ni nyina brɛ na fi ya hwese di ti Kwame ma chi
mini me jo so pa na me admo bra
why ade why
oh na was because why juba pa
why ade pa Kwame
so it be a friend track
okay
do we are
Kwame ma minti o
Kwame mama na say in fact and wa enlightening pa especially wana wonyuma asasia efeli na we no ya na entire nka big companies ni bebre ya na de omo entire ka omo ye entrepreneurs and manufacturers no wa me pempi yakase yamwa na enkofo ntimi enye entrepreneurship ni mo omo be individual businesses na as it stands now no yahu bebre a eco viral omo investment kakra o maye na unfortunately for them omo lose a lot of money all because of negligence and then ensembia ye de be ya ananse sem to empempi no asema meka ne say na no mekan sem obi anka nkyere se obi aye we ya na obi aye we because amanyokofo ni mienu nyina edu baabi na omo pe entitlement na omo ko ho aka a chen se we say ono ane e solve dum so we so say ono solve dum so asema mekan say dum so na ye pe ho credit say NDC na solve we MPP na solve we and every hin buy you see and me some of your many be or yeah the excuse is too much. This is not the first time yes some transformers Makami stand on it say I was even shocked and surprised say the kind of transformers a buy here energy minister or no ntimi nkonkwohwe or His Excellency the first gentleman of the land edi na chiso mu nkonkwohwe transformers. In fact, I was ashamed. Say I know the omo ya no eye for any so na den because set transformers beba na ya fight His Excellency the president edi akire say president mehwehwe transformers. Like, are we serious as a nation? Sending na eye ensem bi a omo pe edi aba bekeka because transformer there Kwame who yusu a ebedru mebi na ho ode no ebeba fom enti aban bi aba o se san transformer afi di omba be ka kire me say transformer na aba no kra no enye transformer etise ba akuna na we special transformer. Like, for you, are we serious as a nation? Yenim say nyoma na enye de ya nyoma no uyusu a wo twe no ebedru be obsolete. And it's a son, what's yes, son, and the engineers and the technicians will tell you, say, periodically they've been doing this. And for a whole nation and must stand still. On a platform, you shatter a whole region. And then what they said and say, if not the whole, is about 90 to 80%. Shatter nina. Busa what the distributors told them, they say. Greeko for more power. The system send operate from VRA, Greeko, Erema, ECG, Netco, Momuso, Atomai. And it's a free source there. Then it's not about changing of transformers. And none of me can say the argument for Akosombono, it doesn't tally. Because Akosombono, how many megawatts I don't supply Magana? Offer the northern regional, Babono and half regional. Kwame, they don't rely, they rely on Bui, not Akosombo. Yenina yenim, about 20% on the mine. Your areas and so they depend on solar. And I had them pan, I had decided we be excuse say all over Ghana. All over Ghana. A year na mo say Akosombo. Kwame ki any problem. Na ye den na bui, omo ya and the bui, bono half, bono east and half. And then the northern regions now, omu source ye bui. E den omu so ya ma omu timetable. You see, that's what I'm saying, say. Enyama bi nke kambom ye, enyama bi nko ye. Say German yosem near the nia to form, near analyzing Yama, ever boy nyina. Dan say bibia you want to score a cheap political points. And everything want to defend. And here that your sense of reason, no, they are too actually because we are ready to defend and we are ready to attack. The moment I can say you want to attack or defend, you know, that is where the problem is. But assembly banner a man a holistic approach. Then ye be who the base what exactly is the reason why ye who the ye win. But ye part of this world in it. Bibia, we know our opponents will use it against us. And yen find a mechanism. Yen so ye be defend ye home. And I attack and defense. Ask myself, say, send the MPP for Becca say. Dumsana saba. Enya mwana nanu ya mokache semu na mobile ma be solve dumso. Na dumsana ya solve adia esaba. How many years ana yehu dumsa asaba? So mo solution na temporary na say long term na say den benti ase. What the asan home running say? What solve dumso? And then here witness dumso. And this is for no mu claim say almost of dumso almost ansa no mu kono. And a dumso na saba. And timoso so most of ya. You see, that is why we have to be truthful to the people of Ghana. Maybe I person ye bibia man yourself na ya ma sense of reasoning and near my no kwasem a na dia. What happens ni say? A bedroom baby. because e nkontompo safo na yedi bie nkontompo puno no ebedru ba ni yebeka mfimfini. And that is what is happening. Ye twa ntura ma say ye hu de enye ho. And the media ombe Obama nyosem, we don't care. What we care then say in Kenya no is it working? Oma ye ho app nyina software I enter. Why me mind you? Sa app yo my eska. Omo developers our concept. But unfortunately for us, Sa said you know my no. Enye adwuma. Sa timetable no my app. The app na obo link nim se ebia yenye wo ehwa adabraka. Obo shem se ehwa adabraka. Na the timetable no e the amount say eda say ebre say yebedum kania. But Kwame, it is absurd say wo wa prepare won say o sa amre ni ebedum kania nti mami siesie me ho ntwen no sa amre na wo pe no obekoda enye sa amre no ni adum kania time wo mka say kania be ho. So you see yamma yehu no kwasem a ewom yanka no kre enkyere ye ho say say na te eduru ba minister be ka che no kre mu say sa timetable no muntimi nyama because there are times that you see an addition out of say 5 or say no so my 3 omu guso omu connect say add up. So you can't have a timetable because you don't know when and where a grid ni be ba be ka ho a obe distribute. So edru ba bi kra no say ato emrade say Ashanti region kra de the machines be ba ye wait na me say so water you know akoso border mo say yanya substation enya problem my 3 akatua. And yeah, what is the essence of bringing an extra plant to be a generators to help us strategy? Because if say you just share the more problem the buyer. We are almost done. We are solving it. Yeah, then you far sika so asaba. Let us say Kwame, it is not the case. It is not the case of Akosombo. It is a me bo ehwa ebo egum seya. Ehwa ne beba. Me bo ehwa na aba ehwa dabraka. Ehwa new site. And you say neighbor. Eba me machine is me phone so a. Ma me say Kevin mbenya to so ama me a. Kwame eba say ya e kire time a power ne beba. Anytime a power ne ma. But Ade kana home. Ye serious. Time now o ma hye no emfa ho. Ade bi won so o mo ye no artwork e de ba. E be kire nyina sese na bete artwork no de ya na tie flyer no ma design aba. Want me to interest you to know say sa artwork na ka no kra de bobo eno kra de e ya na enam ho kra. Enti yen de nke kra de nke yen wo group B o ma ye no kama say etimi mawo eyi gina ye ka ne say etimi mawo alert utimi di to say time we e ba be kwa e mawo ti Kevin betimi di atoso amamia enti ne say ya ne eye efiadai anopai from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. ya okania from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. ya okania from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. 6 hours no ke wo off. Very good. Nanka from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. in the morning and see our kania. That is how Nkoma regulating. But I no pay. So sha and this is so my and this is so my
timetable no my no kwa.
I am one ebi to obi no madi so e to obi na age egu. But e scan here dey akoya ade we. E scan me hu app na WhatsApp so this is nice and it's easy to access. But a day nie timesre sa manyonsem a ye de yen kanea asemo ye no genjai na mbo obia. We are not being truthful to our citizens. We are not being truthful to Ghanaians. A day ye ne sa na me de makache excellency John Dramani Mama say a can last corner. It's a matter of priority. It should be energy.
Yes.
Because so you for you no fa baby ana we nyawa baby weakness one ana odi benya. Ghana de obia hu say ni weakness energy. tina oba ya ode 1 cedi buy obi ankasa yesu kura ye jai him ye efi say yenim say nkania de ona ye expert ona anim tam edundum enti wo ka chia ye say saa time we bedum ti yemma ye 1 cedi ya ankasa ho ane ye de ma ho eduru ba kura na yesi yi free because free obo okosoro wa enya free ho Ghana 40 wase because all the sectors they are doing well. You cannot take it out. Say they are doing well when it comes to GDP, when it comes to inflation, all the macro indicators, all the macro and the micro. No, it's things are working small for us. But Kwame, energy dear, they are not getting it right. We are not saying there's no accident, but I'm telling you, said the accident that happened, and your major contributor was the whole Ghana. One the great of Yakosumbo no crash so far. Bui for say baby anshi. As you bui for so I have a timetable ha. Bui for no so omu the time omu so the ebedum. Because I wanted to know say young kwa na say ewo baby a. Okay. And Kwame is not young kwa. Ewo baby a. Ewo baby a. So the argument here no now Kevin, you can show that of Bui. PRC for kind courtesy of PRC. VRA Netco wishes to inform its cherished customers that there will be power outage on Saturday, May 2nd, 2026 from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. This to enable Netco the Debia technical team to carry maintenance in the control room. Kwame, omun kanya dum. Na no ba ko omun de buy omun say enfri omu efri Greeko for ane buy. Now, no, so back where by almost say maintenance. You see, something is not right. Something is not right. Missy Yanyam yourself no. Now you train your may. You train your may. Something is not right at all. Something is not right. Something is not right at all. Where Greek of Fortune Brofobi, I was shocked. Say Greek of Fortune major fire incident at Greco Akosombo substation, Eastern region. A fire outbreak has been reported at the Akosombo station, Eastern region. The nan me ba ye you. Affecting a bui. And something is not right. It's not about the Akosombo. If it's about the Akosombo, you store 3. And it's a substation. And today, now I'm wasama ekosui. Something is not right. John Jinapo, but when in now something is not. Maybe oba first day na I'm catch you say John me wa reshemu omu, but the true baby me gidi wo John Jinapo mu san. Ah, no be oba catch him say ayi tutu. Container ye de ECG for your member tutu ayira. Actually say na oboa. Oba catch him say aka 5 hours. Nye kan ye dum. Fear and panic be na che John Jinapo by na ka also match na too. Okay, manka by now was a man called them honorable John Jinapo. Fear and panic. I feel by Yano na ye can't say, hey, you're using semantics. Of course, why na what Ghana had your man in your castle 5 hours? Now can you do? Ya can't crack. I want on the moon say, Papa want to see dinner. My best 3 Adams on Bay Juma to say some George, don't cry, don't go there. To say John Jinapo or no so my Mrs. form. Akaba ko so onwen won kakra. You see, yan kind of crunch ye ho. Na yan pe lasting solution to this. Maintenance will come. Kania once a ho ebedum, but kania dum sa. E dum sa, me offer say uncle, now the lights e dey dum sa. What is this? Our bra ye nyina yenim say aban yi ba baby aya la hye ne pa a odi levis ba pa ye energy sector. You mo buy yan kania how many times yentum about 16 months how many times yentum now tum bebre na bete so ketu bia ka say o and niema a boil up to a increment of utilities no more time you cry na ye hu Kwame, this is the time that we were not seeing because sa perimeters amugina so yes nyina perimeters ni nyina aba form perimeters ni nyina aba form so no kura bi na de omon kan no krenkyere yen anapa royal king cracker adornment mamen anapa me be na se nyoma nkoye me bobo bia biscuit biscuit kama royal king cracker anapa bobi come man come ne ma slow down your day unya royal king cracker light the crispy snack pa rich na butter taste bi a wo out say yes esi kire nim say be how ti hospital bi da ho aman bi akwada ni go school afa bi chen bag im no mfanko royal king cracker and talking cracker bia na mom royal king cracker ankasa OCP Ghana Limited ye ekuafo ye mrenie o season na dru so mesraw OCP Ghana Limited bom homodin nepe OCP fertilizer bi atosode moko nyadoa ntosu jene around your friend vegetables ana fe cereal no aburo emo modua sa anwoma nyina munya fertilizer your friend MPK no OCP 15 ana unya OCP 10 ero so boy dwuma gidigidi pa pebia no pay never fix nyoma OCP fertilizer season ya mane nkonyaw last year we ntwa this year de twa fertilizer wo wi a atosode no twa mu anya nso gina ha na we gina ha vegetable papa bi OCP fertilizer mo amudua legumes no mo de mo ya OCP TSP fertilizer no ko na kwaji bi agrochemical shop baby aton fertilizer bia obenya afedi adopai the almighty 21st clinic the almighty 21st clinic no clinical yade bia ye ho doctor for ne nurse for ye was speciality e bibidro was speciality doctors so much specialize we specialize 21st clinic yade bia fruit so beka na nyamnya dom ye ho aduro ye ho machines ye ho expert o mu hwe na mbom the sciatica ye kan sciatica di about my 21st clinic as okoto adure na aka pep student edwan wo ye kan sciatica di about my 21st clinic usisi ase etwe aba besi unase na no obi ti Facebook say yanja de na say yes symptoms say ya de kase bi ba enti wan kwa ama doctor sanhwe wa die beyo no sciatica mane embubu ngudem Mr. Anopet 21st clinic say bray your branches in over 15 for call center no 24 hours a day there be a time be a be free be peke nya cho say wo hin okay bra branch you ha ne brown bra Tantra Hill Accra Tantra Hill ne brown ada be ko kaso ana be fa ha nya cho ana say me wo sunyan there be sunyan de ko regional hospital first gate na ni na boy nim hwe me wo tachiman yetim ho GN Bank dan dada no ehwa mu ane gina ana se ebia won kransa ye bo poti kransa de be bia 21st clinic anopai bomode akuma se enso ehwa adabraka ehwa overseas bia Sompa TV Sompa FM no ase aheya no mo yane Alpha Radio ane ben so anopai bomode 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 21st clinic sciatica expert ankasa anopai Kingdom Herbal Center omna kofa by Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters Kingdom ginseng power capsules ote power na tumi wom sanso na tremendous capsules na de tienie ye the kind the Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters by 15 years in ye obia ni wo de garlic bitters e buy ne capsules ye ni the kind the garlic draw bitters e buy ye and then capsules anopai so immune system na pese kosro boosting na soldier for ne ho ya den ya de ba adwane ana say why stressed a release stress anxiety arthritis what person onam yo titriti hypertension stroke akuma ya de wakuma bo peri cholesterol sade na adidu mu onya Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters yana first ever said them catch on afi ya tenase ne hwehwe mu ne hu se no emema nte se complain doso me the Kingdom ginseng power capsules ginseng free tete no ye so ne so di nyoma keka ho eno ayema bema usisi na ye oya o mental stress wa adwene obasa enkura wontimi mu adwumo sanso na e produce sufficient physical energy anopa bia unya physical energy mo amukwa akoye wala 2 hours mo amkotena office munya physical energy Kingdom ginseng power capsules ana no pay ebo ma Siemens ne so akosro ma extra energy na ba ko ne de eye bonus mpama gro de eye bonus tremendous capsules ma na yanyimu amfrim obabu a o leti waleti obi aba na oko on se memman se bi a chese on sa fast wan san no hwia nan san no ahwe obu on so ko first run no nko bi me bi anya ne ho na anya din owura mu nyoma atwa ne hene sɛ blade tetra enti anopa ya ahemfie hɔ yi ahemfie hɔ bɛyɛ yɛ dia tremendous capsules ɛne ma na ɛboa mo naturally health formulated a ɛboa ahemfie hɔ sente pa de wunya bi menstrual cramps menstrual disorder no wo hɔ ase wɔn fikyire no bosomi epu eba ending bosomi march eba mfimfini hɔ da bi ɛwɔ sɛ toa so sequentially ense tututu si wan hwe abɛnyem abra wunim wonya tremendous capsules ni bi no abobo infections ahodoɔ ni nyina white odepua he infection bɛn na wunim ɛboa pa wo yɛ ɔbaa de a wato adi ɛyɛ plus amount pa ma hwehwe hɔ no so gyina na so sɛ de Nyankopɔn ɛhyehyɛ no menu akwa me anɔpɛ ma me na ase
obeni Mame so me na say ewo honum. Thank you very, very, very much. Eti eche abidwafo no so bedi atena se na afi ya kamuni nyina so ye de atoato so de amaw harenti anopai obeti lawyer Isaac Dako or general secretary hopeful for the NDC ewo Kwabri East obabe kayensa anopai general secretary hopeful for Kwabri East and Opeyo Babe Kayensa Sanso and Abdul Rahman Hudu ono and so constituency youth organizer the ma Edra secretary Duma see all sign a praise or besan yabim our NPP dinemo ono so Babe Kayensa Nano pay yedi and como a hormti and upon same and a dapono so Bako has to do with Damine gold mines, our 100% of first gold output. They are a gold board, 110 kg over the gold board. Na no, and na make sure we must say a section 3, 2, A, B, and C. And I may hear a day amawano paya. Tifa so kakra no nti say why join me I call her section 3A B and C na but ubeti 2 no section 3.2 or say despite a provision in any other enactment to the contrary the gold board has the sole authority to grade assay weigh and value gold produced in brought into or exported from the country. Dear hear me in the B. Purchase and sell gold. Purchase and sell gold produced by miners. In the Wamubato normal ton gold produced by miners other than large scale miners. What was what? Other than large scale miners. So that means large scale miners normal power won't gold farmer go board. So you see, anuntina you kind of saying ENP a cotton 100% of gold at the mouth go board. None of pay them percent bomb basuka say it is a good move and a brass will say yama a companies are a year Ghana for ankasa dear say you be more quinya na a near bia a yo mine dear no yadi asho monsa. Because womunya sikana beka ye memwa. Womunya sikano ebeka ye memwa. But these large institutions are foreigners dear no. Womu wie ya na sikano. Womu asesa no ma de ko. Na kwa kugu owo krom. Nti womu pa no womu beton bi e de ama gold board. Womu pa womu beton bi ama gold board. And a gold board mra no so nchichire womu tie. See no. Or say export gold produced by mining company other than a large-scale mining company from the country. And the gold board never export to gold, not their carbon team. But then, a Mrano engine large scale for no. Almost a bit to be export to a quacoto. That's say small scale miners no one as a Mrano and Tichiromo. And so if we have Ghanaian companies may produce gold, now feel gold board are told you few more. Nanka gold board and Swababe the sole exporter of your gold. Me, I don't have any qualms. Tina may answer me by na. I say na me come send me home common because it's a good initiative and your politics near the katakata ye near. A good initiative say ya bema Ghana ni are too good or need large a mining company. Obetu nothing so. Abonesi kanaka. Yebedi nkomo so not for so as a 7,000 teacher recruitment, you know. Is omu demand more. Omu demand more. Omu say aban iswa kra on fa bi nka ho. Epedifo e di atenase eye ewo hodum say the medical kai no. I have in the studios Abdul Rahman Hudu, or a youth organizer. Nti hopeful wedema ejura seche duma say na lawyer Isaac Darko nso ye general secretary hopeful edema kwabri is nti hopeful for me no na me ni omo share with video ma hopeful for me no lawyer machi pacho waso adena ma me bibia you find there
Onyankopon da Roma ahodin wo ho
da oba dia na say ye share ache then
kaka ni nyina ka ho bi so osanka fo ne kana sem sa bia woni bia Onyankopon ahya ma no awade nim se ne dai da no be dia hia hia so ho ayefe
medase
amamu no Sompa so ni gira wo pa
o tade na sha so fe watch no so san fe
esewa anyway yere nyamiase
yeah sure udu maje
na mejo so
abom ti say
obadi adum ti ye ho ye pa bibi agwa kama de Nyankopon afamu dia alhamdulillah sana ye beka na bibi agwa kama aka de aban na e wo se oye na timamfo ye ho ehinhaye na ufri community be like ejurese dumase a na ye kasa mambo ni ko ye and me say ejure de ye Africa na mo because yanka ho bi about 90% of the residents in Nigeria is into farming. And me bra penny lawyer be kan kra aban woni akuafo enni ye bako kra eti ye de amambo ni se ko ye okumase ya de bia kumase ya no na dum so no nem se bi so ni kumase ya enti amambo ni ko ye from that angle no but ye side ni de alam enye ba nyakopa fo mu de ida se da kese ya pa ba motumfo nyankopon
the introduction no one answer quickly I mean who say is he to do the bid of the party quickly anyway introducing no interesting right I'm sure say from few of so and ENP da mines are there show monsa from first a year production 110 kg or more akoton their gold board 100% of the Oma produce or akoton their gold board. What you saying a good move about buying?
Yo, medasi. Edika ino medenchia sunko bema His Excellency JDM na etosuo the Aba Ashanti Memuha, the Aba Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Mwakuhene, and a able chairman, Anakwesi, BCKM boss Zuba, Emra Kwabri is Joseph Amankwa, Nuruddin, Kwabri is me this year, Patrick Opoku-Fofi, National Apprenticeship Program Ashanti Regional boss, na Kwabri East for nyina memfa ntia sonko emma Kwabri East in fact omuni ho a yeni ho medase na ansana meba wasema obusa me so no ade ba ko a me hu ne se Ghana asoman me hwemu pa ade a Onyankopɔn de dom yen yan kasa ya duma chedie a onyame de ya dum ye pa no natural resources o yen sasi
okay
on say you gold, you bauxite, you magnesium for so many years and a year to this natural resources every year then so the question remains gold where you to know my bauxite you to know my they do drum and for so pain and a Ghana they never free so as o mine yet to chiri o mine no ye hia sika and ye do mine over here all these mining companies are see a mine ha or more exploit your natural resources in them. Foreign companies. They are major companies and in foreign companies. Enti obesha emphaswa was a minor retention was a minor enya was one for so many years. Yenyae. Ubetumi enya mining company bi kura na retention Ghana nya was one. Enu just 10% impo. Obesa ni nyina no de ko emphaswa be nyina no awse nyina de ko dollars. No de ko ni krum. Na ama ye exchange rate no ye see the air depreciate against the dollar. Enti ni nyina nka ho bi no. Ena JDM odi kan betina konya no so bi. Ena nyame ma ne ko tena nchen, o tena se no, no se no. Medical tena konya yi so. Me hunu bebi ntokro da. E ma o man ye sikasem enti me nyina pi. Enti as part of the campaign na wo ye e dia ba power no. Na wo se oba reset o man no. Nti they introduce the resetting agenda. Nyame ncha adom a owini ya obey o mampani no.
Yes.
And was setting the resetting agenda into motion. And no mu na wo hwehwe nim before wo party nim. No ko fa yewura sami jamfi. Akoko anyansa ahye ne ma. And wo de ne ko to your natural resources amo. Say onhwe na ye good na ye magnesium na sa ne ma nyina no. Omo hwe se de obeti atoto ne ma afa. Enam se nim dia hye sami jamfi benti no. And ono so establish the gold board. Gold board ba yi ebe ba ne ho nsensem bebre ni ade na so no sami jamfie demonstrate am ye hunu say ye wa adwen ene ye wa adwen gold board ba yi uhwe the gold board act na omo functions no under section 3 stipulate a kwanya gold board e faso abeto to gold every small scale miners ho na omo to gold na omo na dia kọ abontin dwaman so akwakwakọtọ na kese obi antumi mfa gold mfa nchen ba bia in a small scale form enkonkonkoto mo mine sikasem na ehihim
Okay.
ni nyina echi no wotumi raise from the small scale no wotumi raise about $10 billion edima o mine no just last year. Into your improvements in but now akoya limited say the functions of the gold board no with respect to buying and selling no is limited to the small scale mining.
Okay.
Nana enko the large scale no. Okay. Large scale no ya mention po.
Yes.
But His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Onwano brother Ibrahim Mahama ona engineers and planners eyene dia e brother mine Goldfish release we na yes yen renew biem na ye de be ma a Ghanaian businessman no ehwe mu na no na you say obetumi aye e na ye de ade na ide ama no na metie ni nkase mu no o kan say sa company yi a abedi Ghana for nsem within 6 months da man benya airport. And it's true. Men can be, foreign companies no me abroad. Men can we nchewa kwenye hini kowe.
Okay.
For so many years. Yet two box site when kuromu ha. Nyina hini. Kono kowe conveyor belt ya convey every box site every day. Kowe nyina hina kwa.
Okay.
Because of a foreign company no. Wonyene bibia emma oman no. Kowe nyina hini kurom.
So tia di obi tia wi
asa. Wo tia di obi tia wi asa no asa nyina nyina no de dey. No de ko.
Okay.
What's it? Damanya kwan. Within 3 months, obehwe no ma ya kwan wo nyina. The first exploit our year 110 kilogram of gold. Asani nyina de akose 100%. Men fan ko me ton ma gold board. Gold board on ton no fan ko dwama so no ko na ye foreign reserve na enwezi ne nkosoro. This sadia o man ya hwehwa cha afi na yensa aka. The American say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne bo sha o share ene se o kan obeye no eso mfa so na ye huni.
So you think say over EMP adwuma odi na namuntu a o2 cc ya ye hunu say eye ene eye wo mo akwakoton anaso wo mo de wo 100% production de akwakoma eye go board ne promises are one making no. Now Ghana, we are going to experience what South Africa is experiencing. Say yebenya acquire ye papa, we will begin to see say schools say ye papa, no hospitals say ye papa eba ye memuha because say yanya locally produced miner or ye large scaler.
Unia enye no nko a. Aside that no. Aside that no. Ye exchange rate no. Dollar to CD depreciation or minor for so many years. Na aye kanka. Ema bo kosro all the time because we be say no ye mfa dollar ntade. Nanso enema bo kosro pe na ye complain aye say dollar kosro. Dey enema dollar kosro. Foreign companies na wa hanom say no. Enka we 100% yi. Enka odni nyina e cost straight. Odi ko ne kromo.
Yes.
Na ye reserve na e sofa.
Okay.
Say okoton a emfa so obenya no sesa sika no de akọ dollar. No wasan de ekoni krom emfa so bia emba ema oman no.
Okay.
At the end of the day no oman ne benefit ewo mu no say 8% a eba de na ebenya free so pitu abi. Eti yenya we 100% no ebe boostu oman ne sikasem.
Okay.
Ama ye sikasem no atumi agina. Na oman no say we say dollar ba for mu a on say dollar started say e ba for mu no. And fuel prices it started say air dropping.
Yes.
With the exception of the recent intervention air cost so around the globe no. Now who say na exchange rate ni back from no.
Okay.
Na prices of goods and so air back
from. Okay.
Yeah, admitted that. Enti enya no nko a e de aho top e be break Ghana for. Enka we nkan so wow. Enka de be ma yi. Enka ka me nko a enka all the foreign companies na wa ha no. Nka ida say the gold ball law no emma ensa o marketing say nko mo nton kra nya yi no. E was so man begin to put some pressure on them.
Okay.
What you say?
I see.
You put some pressure on them. And yes, and so and I said the functions of the gold board and the authority, the power given to the gold board. And you bet me amend the powers of gold board. Yeah, more power no. I cost so say. Adimu say. Almost so kra no. This large scale mining companies no. Would you two? I form a good year. We are Fabra and yen.
And on another paper question be bisa say. Sa large scale miners. You now we hear a good board act now. And defeat purpose, because I said, what's I good board act now? Aside the exemptions, be the shame says, our large scale miners here, able to me export. Meanwhile, so her act now, I shall say now, the candy, or say an act to establish the Ghana Gold Board to oversee, monitor, and undertake the buying, selling, and export of gold and other precious minerals, promote value addition to the gold and other precious minerals of the country, support responsible mining and accumulation of gold reserve by Bank of Ghana, generate foreign exchange, and provide for related miners. A honum wakana kama the fine. But over section 3.2, which I think over here WhatsApp I've shared with you. Now, wait to me. Over section 3.2B and C now. What's the exemptions? But say large scale miners. Womwa betumi akwakoton womwa de omo pa no omo beton omo gold no e de ama gold board omo pa womo nton because B no say despite a provision 2B no section 32B and am ba be kan nti o kind 2 now say despite a provision in any other enactment to contrary the gold board has the sole authority to B no purchase and sell gold produced by miners other than large-scale miners. Yes. They have the sole authority to purchase and sell other than large-scale miners. Large-scale miners, you know, on the exemptions back. And I see so export gold purchased by mining company other than a larger scale mining company from the country. The owner has a chimagine kakra and as for the at that time my bagas here was here G2 Nafi or more large scale miners. Yeah, the more indigents no more since we were South foreigners, you bring to me cover to me your machine.
Yes, Mimia. The mechanic say it is not erroneous, and I say, and yet futile to the drafters of the Gold Board Act. Sema yehun sa ne manu because on the large scale companies, or more output, is so huge.
Okay.
So the question I was Busane say, Sekobane say, Ashanti Gold they buy, Gold Fields they buy, Engineers and Planners they buy. Question: can Gold Board buy?
Okay.
Can Gold Board buy?
I see.
But that notwithstanding,
I see.
But that notwithstanding, maybe I am of the view say, the engineers and planners, i.e., say, and yes, 100% to number Gold Board. At least, we should look at the capabilities of the Gold Board. With the exception of the small scale miners, which we think they are capable of. Aside that, would they be able to purchase extra from these large scale companies? If yes, they should be given the first option. Though the act has expressly excluded large scale mining companies from selling their good to their Gold Board. But that notwithstanding, I am the view say there is a certain percentage if they want to help a miner. No, mobile tom Ediama Gold Board, at least. Yes, I might be and Gold Board don't mean to be, or at least 20% man. And see how improvement of mine never come in.
Mate. Lawyer made a CP. Who do? My meet you. Obeka say a good move, and I say Obeka say as usual. I meet you.
That was say. I'm a chairman, my degree 8 years, and no pay. My chairman, crew may be a mine. Chair your party penny for you now, your chairman, Abdurrahman Haruna, Chairman Mitchell. I'm a chair, my colleague communication team members, my serial callers, and my colleague conference executive. I don't mind there. I can't region a conference executive year or tournament case here power 2-4 pack. We free have me call.
Yes.
I was saying here communication team members and you to organize any communication about first match. They are moving for money a very, very nice program. Me chair chairman or didn't hook up here, Chairman Cooker. And I chairman won't mean about MPs now more region former MMDC in Ababa. Be a witty and a Paviano or Mrahos and a Hobed, come.
Very well.
Yeah. That can say the air cost so event that my minds now almost a year comma Gold body. It is something new and dear or mine ebenya free so. Say, you can say, or mine and nation free so we are not being fair to our listeners. And a very good move, say, Yabenya, a friend is saying, large scale mining companies, and say, Omudi or more gold, ever say Omudi or mine, because it was an auto go now, got to and for today be ready, a bus with Eddie more minor. From that side, no, we can say, Omabom home in error. But let's ask ourselves, why is it say, in this inquiry, where Bemu and I say, Ebia Omudi BB, a Coma or Mumpini for no, and maybe a Mumpini for no Benya access to Ghana, Japan, the end of the good. But when MPP is in government, come more any central for any bread penny out here, and can go with this kind at the minimum.
Could it not be the case? Be a quite more fast to be a decoration. A raisy lot of questions.
Quite a faso. Yet a Ghana, and I'm going to say, Oman Peniba, Jan Croma. See, your command a contract, so in 2020, Omoka Yam and Central. When I'm more sister, we did. And Momuka about you also to say the ABC Ghana had a year almost say. On one cost solicity fund, Edikoye that project. I buy one person any maybe.
Wait, I want to be what questions I would be about.
Yeah, but I don't know. Look at how I would treat you. After the MPP, say abon some phone near on my Ghana. But and then on my penny near director, what page on mine gold, half of or minor reserve aid am I? Would I wouldn't and they were speaking as if say we are some medani when MPP time. Even any obi and the cry ado and I don't cross on this almost we are for me. And to cannot list from 8 to 1 list about 1,000 names. So the ABFM who do damn qua oh, and not damn for the offer. No, odi ajakon ebia na di ado aka ho oh akufo de ne mpena bi ba no that was the statement I'm making in Ghana ha na yemra main issues so na yenya ho no de timemfo be hu the hypocrisy of Ghanaian people and I say amanfo bi na CSOs na de o ma yedi o so mo nkasa no and mass MPP better opposition forever by all means we come back to government by saying the omo observe table manners no we are telling them CSOs no more Ghana ha nyina no omo nye din sa ye ba ban mu a na say yes ye ton Accra International Airport e dia mamia mom nko say ABS ni say oh no problem say ye say ye ton aye dia ma ye friend saying Brian Champon yeah for PPA bibia but still Ghanaians speak against it. Now and then Ibrahim Mama Kokonya say or control the my minds and then we should clap for him. Fine. And I make for the benefit side it's good to say Ghana ever benefited from that side. And what is it? At the gold board almost omunya gold to Ghana. Nana. Omunya gold to Ghana. And then say you the my man for the gold almost first a year my say 110 kg so we got on gold but need the camera see almost. Yet yeah Ghana ensure na say no ye ton e very saying galamsey gold nyina ye ton di ma gold board abribia me no can catch ade na galamsey for ndom di ba ye fa camera nsi o mo so ma wiase nyina hu say galamsey for so eton gold any ma gold board galamsey gold na yetu na wifa hom na eto okay that was the side
and you go board talk gold free galamsey for
I'm not free galamsey for I'm not free small scale mining for ade na mo kokoto free e friend say da my man say a problem o man peni unua e di gold nyina e di ama no say wo ton di ama semi fi wono anka na akora ni semi fi o wo say wo ton di ama no and no what the news and now the Ghana okay that's the question we need to ask ourselves and as the gold board catch for catch team for omo nya gold nto and then the man for ton ama Ghana as ya de foforo gold board for omo nya gold to say any effort bia this is not a new thing and as say omo di Ghana ke betana ke be boy nsema ya de ama omo ton say na omo to galamsey gold no omo ton say na omo to small scale mining gold na gold board for kata omo nya gold nto what is it is the gym mix here mudi na one na ye what is it bibi anywhere free ba yeah me bra a lawyer say that my mind say Ibrahim Mama say okokosi your friend is saying airport e wo so yem we nsem no oboye o makwan hwe uncover contract documents na ewom no it is part of that omo bayi na omo ye no agreement e ka ho ewom say say gold no airport no obesi say airport obesi airport say Kumasi International Airport and say bia Accra International Airport obesi airport and no mudi lift omu gold e free the amount e ba omu main center where Accra and say bia any other countries omu koton that was the plan ko obo say airport ni ho a Anglo gold for Ashanti gold for e lift omu gold e ko Accra okay it's the same thing enya mamu free mbri ni pani so ade omu ye ne say omu airport wa aeroplane ya omu di fa gold omu fa form nto omo ya na anko land water e ni so no mu di ko nto o ya ma ono ane ho he's not doing it for your friend say any ibia say ebia obetuma you ho friend say domestic airport and I say ebia private and I say ebia international airport bia o ye dia madam man gold no mutu no mu di left gold na bank grind so what's the big deal say we go see airport mom tran and matimem phone who say we do I say nada also do we no free ha o ka say omso ombe road e wo ka contract no omo ye road from there to as Cape Coast one of the big town e wo omso an kwanya friend saying Kota road bio your friend say road new road be aba omo ye mi lo fidi am di man kra enu that road no bi na omo ba be ye e ka agreement na omo kan no ho say omo di ma wa wo be ye we ni we e di ama your friend saying oman no e ka ho e na omo di ma ye enti we nya di bi a wo say ye kan
ya nya sa benefits be the free large scale mining
yeah o ko bo asa bi ni ho Anglo gold schools primary schools crama bo asa e benefit o bi okay even university no the kind of a year almost scholarship amudi ma amount no mu e adwuma e na obo asa man nyina Anglo gold ye bi omo airport ho almost schools e ho nyina omo timi top buses e di che schools nyina what is new thing here omo pese asa bibi na eba hwe wonim enro omo say Bank of Ghana a report to say over 15.6 billion events Ghana cedis dollars so ayira afri Bank of Ghana a debtor abegu Bank of Ghana to 2025 as compared to 2024 na 9.6 billion or so and this one person discuss on any media outlet and we should pay attention more to gold board say omoto side way na gold na nkata kra yeton gold reserve na yeton we omoto nyo omokoton already statement now almost we are on behalf of Bank of Ghana that support Bank of Ghana the reserves no ye free abemo na gold reserve send ya to ye free abemo.
But say
maybe sir.
Okay. But say you to mean to 100% production and from free large scale man and hobby that moment on ma Ghana da.
Whether 100% from large scale mining or from where are the gold ball for some gold into ana. And I say almost say ya short to gold into omo motor man. And yes idea then na wo ka say ntika yenye omo act no. Na yento gold ni na e wo ayi ni na. They were understand say oil mine sika. And lawyer be say can we buy? This is not a new thing. I don't want to check Ghana. Somebody check there okay you boy say mambo. Ye ton at say ye to galem say for there no. And I say ye to small scale mining no. And sa na ye to we no. I don't know what I say. Almost first one, no matter 100%. So will they sell the second? And I say, Ibrahim, Mama, I get to Ghana for say, the gold, or the mine mines, over time, Ghana, there's nothing new here. And you be on the person or the common about cotton. The same price, not on Ghana, but we were told I support to enemy because say gold reserve nan katana. So my penny Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, vice president, and the brain child or the buyer. And I year free so need 30.8 tons of gold, and I go say at the power and this no more canoa. Say no moton ye. O ma deplete your foreign your friends saying your reserve nyina, your gold reserve nyina. E ma ne beka almost 18.3. O moton ye ye say o mo be ad hoc committee bi ne hwehwem kwan be na mo fa to ton gold no. O ma nka nkire obi a ene so lawyer beka kire on ka say why na mo ton that gold no ma no. Dey na see and dem mo san koto diamond gold esan dia kwa reserve. Moton no with less price and the gold one of the highest in the world market. And most we lose over $3.3 billion from that sales now, that 30.8 tons of gold. You know, we are losing that huge sum of money today. We are going to go diamond gold. DNC ya mu deplete your foreign reserve. And then most like I say, young cotton diameter and young boy in some mama. O mining ko you, bra. Sector Ben airborne home modern Ghana how we be able to say I have we should speak about this gold. Galam say gold kra moto monfa camera ntoso moto small scale mining gold monfa camera ntoso and the moto on that mine anglo gold for so mo pa sa gimmicks we be na mo pa anglo gold for bet ma ko yebi they say yanko monfa camera ntoso mo say we are doing something big. What is it? Say what on ayama unua and owo abem first time and unua koto private jet osan ba second one was koto private jet omo say that be mama and the family there omo we scared that na MPP there akufo the world na oton aburo e we dura market ntina ne family be niska ntaku for the family be always ke be owi aye by mama ni Ibrahim mama de o ma Ghana japode nyina koyo mu fie japode and mu rule Ghana te say obi fie ajapode na te obi rule no home no o ma yan kan no and this gimmicks ni aniema sa killnet government we scamming system no mu dey scam am for Ghana for say they are doing something. What are they doing? Sector be every sector is struggling. Finance minister can say ye borrow 17 billion Ghana cedis for 2025 and ye this 2 year defense government workers. We are in a country where ended for Joe Manu Abribia or mine every sector a one home no you borrow to pay workers. Now we say o mine ejinayi. O mine ben ejinayi. A do stage you moment kan ho. Na mambo boni bi ekoso Ghana na and I make it to come to my community. A farming community. Aburo mpo yentimi nto. O ma ba ho so o ma beji ayi warehouse say omo ebeto aburagmu for the past almost 8 months now. Omo to aburokuru aburagmu. Akwe su and then su to yentimi no. System name working.
For the benefit of your listeners, no, was it Mahama Babemuna Ibrahim Mahama told a private jet.
Yes.
But early 2024, and you know how aeroplane and one some city.
I mean, Nimtama.
Okay, turn at hand say, oh, call ya is you want to.
Okay.
Utiaka. Okay. Na ya mau years near ya mau so. Utiaka early 2024 and I will deliver the man of 2026. So it doesn't mean Zabia New Baron Wakakutuple or torn that. But he received it.
Nancy Park was Indian Bank. We collapsed here. I'm about one thing because Ibrahim Mama company. Manasa during the church that report no. Say Ibrahim Mama Eddie event saying GN Bank. How can that story no? And I question said that we only need from any company engineers and planners need this akano. They know what that amount of money no would do GN Bank. I want to money to your bank in Aguno. We new flow. Second one, and say yeah, to force and no, Michelle, no, Niska. We maybe free, but Mama man here. Nana, second one, and say yeah, to force and Coco, say bank EcoWatt Banky. I thought board chairman say you. No one did no come Ibrahim Mama $100 million dollars loan facility at Odikokoto black gold be our friends in northern region side the way. Until now that amount of money we na mama man nada ye ho masa. Bibia ni ho na wo ho. O man penny John Dramani mama kura kan ye fa wono ane nsɛm a wɔka kyerɛ Ghana fo a wɔse Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo sɛ wɔno wanyini ɔmfa Ghana sika nya hwe na mu ni relative ni nuafo be wie sika na yɛde ama no going by the same statement of the event saying John Dramani Mahama no pa kyerɛ sɛ Ibrahim Mama nso afa kwami sɛ wo wie Ghana sika di ma John Mama I'm not saying it o Mama sama wɔka na me ko tu no so wɔse Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo atante be di atuo mu no gabi mu nyina ɛna ɔmo Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo anyini nti wɔntimi wie sika no ɔmo be wie sika na ma Nana do the same going by the same standard Ibrahim Mama and the relatives no Joyce Ba Muktari mo omu wies kama John Mama nti sika bia Ibrahim Mama wo bia Mama ajapade mo bi dada wo bia I'm telling you for say Ghana ajapade first one wo di nyina hi box side edi my Ibrahim Mama ye hu de si wo Ghana ha ye ko ye awa edi be ye friend say and me bi na ko see interchange e watermali and edi be 100 km asphaltic overlay e wa Ashanti region ye boy on was aspect nyina and then ti man ko say oh ton gold am gold bond we should call for you it is nothing new and be ni wa edi ba gold bond nkatom another
mwa boost to ye Bank of Ghana reserve
ye ja 30.8 net o ton ni na di o ton
any governance is continuous and
oh na continue ko mbal ko to mu di bi ka ho and o mo ton adi and I use me I can boldly say allegedly sab gold ko bia mo ton my Ibrahim Mama mo no and I was attending ho SND ba because me hu de wo ma I was say it and ye
ke to be na me samra no so ne for next topic so
Jaco won say matna sidin na me hwe no din na me say eh na ene de baby NPP is say reduce adu no
reduce ko
say omo young guys no say what's the deal here omo tnasia en tropa minim say yedo mo kohye dem na ya kire omo say mo ba mo nyina consistently mo mi twantro enfanto jomama so eni ni nua so I don't know sa de yi omo ye bia Ghana fo mo hwe ni yi omo ye bia de tia jomama 2016 e kan sem guru woni ni nua ho saa iwe na Ghana fo de ma wo mo no be ye niam atro kan afi de vice president say de na president ye no kwa no wonfo aso onipa mi no omugu o mayo ba ko say de na president ye no ono no wonfo aso ono kwa na ye ma ne kwa ama ne nyesi ye ma ne kwa ama ne nyesi no be ye niam atro kan ese ma ho kan say o ta ha open da ben so ben e no de ma yen a e betumi agina so nsem a open e ye no kre che say e ye MPP graphic.
Oh, but no, yeah, comparison analysis.
Any comparison
analysis. Say, you
could borrow 17 million CDs. Maybe a teacher worker.
That be government workers. Government workers.
Government of our listeners, no. And you're not correct because as far as 2024, I don't cheer. Otia jet ne day.
Or she share no home come across 2022.
So many years because we say aeroplane ho nsem no. And to say wako party asako shia oba na akoso ne pe. A process.
Mate, lawyer. A process mate. Who do kitwe bi?
Nana lawyer mo medin ho ya kakra. Well, lawyer, one of the professional me person me go in trade until lawyer when you share when you we want to go there. By man and kata was say me fa fax bi anto jana na wo myjoyonline.com modern Ghana.
And say I'm saying now what the fact
oh me can say at force and say government borrows 17 billion.
One go to source
not say on public notice
I understand
yeah
but we have to agree say now
some man for source man no pa say me boa so this is the source my call to about 4 sources government had to borrow 17 billion to pay salaries in 2025. Date near 18th March 2026 year no cancer assembly. Is that the 14th? The lawyer, I think anyone make and John Mama
capable of doing anything.
We are modern Ghana. Of course I can one Mr. Organic verbatim now I was having the video crowd. The video clear.
Mami
and a video na Mr. Kase Mama say o man pena kufa si wanyini to wi o man sika. Eti ni nuafo ni relate be wi sika na mana no. The video me sure you have that video.
No, what does it have to do with
it? Has to do say and that my man Ibrahim Mama mo that and don't even that and nobody say ebomu because that my man yet other gold boss omo gold nto and omo dey tell man no omo ton man no
mo me mra kakra aye ECG for ya no mo ma yedum so no omo we see a happy May Day and only say
let's chill.
Ajay,
man come as
they are already sending me free ECG for Now, and then made the team that's on almost say pivoting to growth, jobs and sustainability livelihoods beyond microeconomic stability. And the easy for the Dicano, I call the mamo pivoting to growth, jobs, sustainability. But momo the end day, and your growth, mu good nyuma, say nyuma, mamming kanjremo. That pivoting to growth, and the jobs, sustainability. No, nyano na mo yo. Mu go amount for nyumo, mu go amount for nyuma pa etete. Yenyine so okrom ha. Ti munya hisa. Who do my yeah, and then not for say 7,000 recruitment now by the body it's sakra. What didn't show
na na mesanda wase o hobim ese
Nana dia no dia me yusu no fie.
Me
yusu ejako.
Ajako mi so yusu ba me friend na 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 be boa me. Na ma connect me. Na wo kana fast. Na Ghana ni bia nim na. Da be na me ko ka ajako me wie ko na 2 minutes ko.
I'm not you.
I'm fan sa me say Ghana National Association of Teachers. So Omaba Bontin 2 days ago I catch say Oman Penny John Draman Mama ni NDC ni minister. Kwanya mu education sector na effa so especially on the issue of employment e very bad to omu hu kwanya o mefa so na omatimi aboa na onkora na ma wie school atena so almost 3 batches abegu fie no omatimi form because the year 2025 energy education minister Haruna Idrisu Babontin because offer 50,000 of teachers only 2025 no offer 10,000 of non-teaching staff omo hwe animu a bibia anu ha yeden abamu. Na this time round no aban be yes offer 7,000 nti na not for about they said 7,000 isha na me teacher ni let me go this way frankly speaking teacher form wo Ghana ha nyina very very disappointed in the teachers union oh my Ghana mo ha
me dey da bia meka
you very disappointed na omo kwa de se kebe ya ke yengunu ne ke yemu se
GS
oh yes enye
GS nye ba ko si
ade bia onwo ye bia na se yo mafudi a omo you okay with that but so me na the welfare na be support it never
yes that's
time I was omo be kasa enne
that be that
ayina ba bonten amankora na call application awie ama na process go so aban be post omo
what is the point
afi na obe kasa tema omo di ba bonten say for 7 times that was the time me read you kwa dem me read okra ho ne say omo say aban na hwe na nkora na e be first batch na mo wie school tifie no nko mo form nko a ya register say on social media platform bia me wo bia American ho asem say abana at least we dey say for 10 kura na for say e be first batch omo go fe 2023 batches na for omo ofo bia 2024 batch ni 2025 no mo ye seniors na ko akaye
yes
obi an ka say dey ko na e normal but at least ofo first batch second batch o ye seniors na ko dia e be do yes but wa akan mu nyina bo na yawa e wo mo say we ko school awie school no what for 3 years no ye wie no obi awie school 2025 ya na ono ya fa na duma the pain any yawa wo fam no enya adeketwa na wo junior awie school anya access and it's happening e see the bia and them no ka say nkura ni bia from penifo ni bi so anya opportunity omo de kwan bi so omo awie school 24 mo kira de na 23 but e
bia ya me ka say na na bia me be kam say GS no say be kra nke
yengu no confirm minister of education na omo ye bia seriously
GS no
they are not helping the system
they are there say Ghana your education
sector omo hwe ni ye
and be facilitate na ne makoye but you are not seeing anything from GS and I'm not grat ne na to for
omo ka de nko masam ka me bo di kra
and to money notebook ne pe ngwa no omo sika no omo tete no omo de ye den
ya ma concern for no kra won say this time omo dey go the clock bi brɛ school mu ha djuma de bi di omo na omo ko fa tare bi ama teacher for na white bi na djima bi nam ha say bi a oye okɔ batons na atefo sa ne ma na omo ye na enyo
e ti ya omo bu akonta de kyerɛ
omo bu akonta kyerɛ ho ya omo tu salary mu a na omo increase omo yi omo bi ani ho eye
wow
obi ani ho including the president obetana ha so obekasa dia ko in their favor na say don kasa na ko bi be free mu ayden aba e dia ma omo mpeni for no omo de let's do away with them ne the government na kasa na ya say John Dramani Mahama enemy bra lawyer mo aban mo hyem koda yibo MPP aban ye ba ye no every year averagely ne fa 17,000 teachers ye free aban mu the whole of 8 years now 136,000 teachers na ye for Ghana and averagely year bia ne fa 17,000 2025 indecent man for teacher for ne say okay mo say mo aban mu for ni mo ayedin we accept it because oba aban mu for say emu ye kwa na you complain say ni mo that's the reality for every new government. The money that opportunity no in 2026 na at least month at least 20,000 and now the batches now on my way to training college you know we month for mon ko say oh ya nya financial client e di amamo ne hu say aka 2 batches e wo fie
access to born the best successive government for
na chere so bo ba ko me ye ko na ba kokura ni fie me teacher ni no let me come lawyer
2023
me chere wa de o
2023 40
lawyer obebam no me ka say
me ba hudu Hudu.
Let me
and 2023 for TV. TV.
One tiasie. Tie na tiasie. Na de wom ni. 2023 batches no. What say the national service be shame. To mu wie school me service 1 year. Omu wie service year for so February 2024 for service. To mu full 1 year. To mu wie service 19 February 2025. Yeah, you school back on the fee. I'm telling you.
So, my missile question.
Oh, that won't be some question.
Say 2023 will be TV and I say.
Omo nyina go fie. Ye wie ni anto post omo. And na me tell omo ye service na obi ye service ah. Oh, to what? Obi ye service ah, you post no na ye.
Na service no cross free because banka dey mean
that the side
for no ewia. Komo obi bia friend attachment.
Yes.
Na se for no akwa.
Eno kwa na omo ye no school mu dada.
Yes. And omo ye obe pie no akwa akoye say na ema ni nyina afiri o wie ya na afi ya post no. That service no cross free.
Omo say ye ba ban mo no.
Na mo de buy.
Oh, me get na so mu di rotational nurse service call nurse for the same thing. Enti mu di akwa nurse first net we na post to. And then I always say, Moody service a question. Just about the service teacher for them. If you blame a MPP on that, we will accept it. Say, I'm paying the service a we am currently for 1 year as they are posted. And John the man, my ADN, and I saw a cast a young for 2 minutes now about being service a free a count 120-day contract now, or being a service a free from ticket training clinic. No automatic postings. On this statement.
Yes.
And away.
My main color, I hope.
I can want some. Omo be one can no one say. Omo e blame the successive government.
Lawyer mami dio.
Me da say. Somebody can say intro the no be shi dia tire pa. One say me mean justify in any way. So obi ti fear we near adwuma ye. Na no be defend dia ban say nipa na we near adwuma ye no. Eye me de. Entimi nye ne deda. What you say say ye nua no nyina ye de. E wo mu bi. I see the issue me say yenti ase. Eye je ne free so. Ebeti ayira ho mu a ama bayira ambo. Eye MPP. Ene de yeko IMF. Tio. Ene de yeko IMF. Now as part of IMF conditionality, there is a freezement on employment.
Not correct.
What I say? There is a freeze on employment. Yes, I'm coming.
Never.
What I say? Look at the IMF conditionality.
Never happened.
And you know, Emma MPP 2023, 2024. That latter part, and they attempted to do recruitment of about 17,000 teachers. Knowing very well, say it flouts the conditions of the IMF. In any way, you to me justify say, and Crawford and they are buying a but the mechanic say, and then this is bad 1 year and some months ye. Abane busu to 2 neman kakran. Yes, see, ufri with a precope a posia. A mojaba. Ain't no media make catch it. Yemian a teacher for more use committee and say. A brave mudia, Eddie. Now, so one come to me. Oman penny 7,000 ya why? And see her.
Lawyer, my phone rahana ya understanding kakra. We Google also the Ghana Education Service began a significant ban on teacher recruitment in August 2013. This move was part of a broader severe public sector employment freezes enacted during that period, leading to a major backlog of unemployed trained teachers. So it means it's a free baby.
It's a free and this John Mama so I'm gonna make
a free baby.
Thank you.
And over kind had on the contest was it the hiring freeze was attributed to economic challenges with subsequent discussions pointing to IMF conditions that halted public sector hiring, often cited as lasting through 2016. I just want us to have that clarification.
Lawyer put a patch on the uncle. My lawyer patch.
Oh, party action. Mamiti, no.
Meba. Modern Ghana.
Yes.
Modern Ghana. On just few. Sorry.
Okay. 1 2
Me person me be Emma back me phone freeze.
Yes. Me phone my pressure
IMF conditions I can't be na ama NDC for NDP for me and recruitment backlogs. And can you say there are about 100,000 teachers in TP. 100,000 teachers no. Is it 2025 year ever power no move school? Totally it's not true. Yeah, admitted that fact
Mate.
What I say? O mat na fear for more than 4 years, more than 5 years. I know mutiki. Nti aban de nyema gu akwan mu a o ye ne kakran. E na 7,000. O ha ne nim de e ba wo chena. Mate. Ye nso so. Afa aban nya 1 year.
Enwie nso ene de ye bre na chi papa nti mame mpa ati for na chow say ene ye tumi mfa course momfa nche ti ye nkoye birthdays na ye nsi form na de aka mu no ye de ato aso e de amount MCR birthdays na ye ready happy birthday to Systematic Press System. May all your prayers be granted, and may God continue to bless you from Sompa TV, Sompa FM System. You're such a nice guy. Indeed, nyamemba wa hodi nimdiye ntiase wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. How de be ye juma nafi. Ye nyina ya raise Sompa neteraround fraternity. No, happy birthday to you, Systematic. Happy birthday to Owusua Benedicta. Owusua Benedicta. You are currently doing your national service at UCC. May God bless your new age and grant all your heart desires from your best friend, Rosalind. And happy birthday also goes to you, Giant Georgina. May God enlarge your territory and may God bless you. May light always locate you, and may all your path be channeled to success. We're free Unisys, Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Hey, you. Happy birthday to Lucy Achampon of Swissport Accra Airport from Kweku Achampon at America. Wishing you a lovely birthday. Happy birthday also goes to you, Obapa Quincy. Celebrate your day in a grand style. May the good Lord grant you all your heart desires, and the smiles you find your face today, may it continue to live with you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday also to you, Mrs. Mirabel Gifty Brown. And happy birthday also goes to you, Perpetua Yeboah, from Mr. Billy of Sompa TV marketing department. Mr. Billy Zenyame and Nyokesewai. Happy birthday also to you. Happy 50th birthday to Chairman Wuntumi of NPP from Sika Wobush. Chairman Sika Wobush say and control say odo pa na nyame entina ni ensure na de wo pewas asisu nyina omawo enya na de siwani so ya political career person achieve no nyame emwa na wontumi achieve Sika Wobush. And we buy happy baby. On that note, thank you very much for being a part of the show by way of ear, voice, and SMS. Forgive me. Say and then so yen to me and your messages no. Fache me, I take it and me to my phone. Me didn't call me Jacko Oti lawyer Isaac Darko Enka Oti Hudu and also a youth organizer hopeful and a lawyer Darko general secretary hopeful for Kwabri East. Live well.